Oh, man, guys, this is insane. This is the filthiest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. I don't know who out there has a position in AMC right now, but I'll tell you what, I'm so pumped about what's happening here with the stock. I had to go live on this just so we can all watch the price action together. I do have a position right now in AMC, sitting at a total share basis of 1,500 at a dollar cost average of 509. Absolutely filthy. How's everybody doing? Let's take a quick read. Bro, this day is going to be insane, Roland. I agree. Boomstick. Anybody else in Express? Express is popping right now. This could be the next AMC. The way things are looking, they're up over 100%, up from $3.04. Absolutely insane. That's just nuts. If we pull up Discord really quick and look at the most popular stocks right now across all Discords, I think Express is number 3. Let's see if it pops up. But last I checked, Express was number 3, so that's pretty nuts. Yeah, 81 Discords is being talked about in. AMC being the number 1. Times 3, baby. I only threw $50 in it for a YOLO, but F it. Green is green. Times 3, baby. Why do you think will be the highest for today? Good question, Alex. So this is a very interesting situation in the stock market. We've never, ever seen this kind of thing ever happen in the market. We are very close to $20 right now. And something that I want to show you is GME. So let's look at this on a 1-month chart really quick. This traded at $19 a share before this whole situation started, and before the huge pop-off, they were at 39. So they went from 39 to 85 to 194 to today a high of 365. So if AMC does anything even remotely similar to that, we could potentially be looking at double ups over double ups over double ups. I would not be surprised in the least bit to see this touch $20. In fact, I could see it end of day touching $25, $30, $35 pretty easily, but don't get your hopes up. Take profit if you're worried. There's a risk involved here. The only reason I'm holding is because I got in very early. I got in at $5. Bought 95 shares, dollar cost average of $9.40. That's not bad, Mongos. Good stuff. Will it be too late to get in after market opens? Great question. So if you want to mitigate risk here, I think the best case scenario for you, this is going to be very volatile. It's going to go up and down multiple dollars throughout the day. Look for a pullback to the 61.8% retracement at $12.07. And I'm going to stream for at least the next hour, maybe 2 hours. That way we can keep up with the price action here. That's why I thought that I would do this so that we can all see what's happening and I can help give you some reassurance on the price action. So we'll take a look at the technicals and the overall volume, the indicators that we've got, see what the territory is looking like, but it is ripping. Oh, it's pushing $18. $18. We saw a wick. Let's see if it pushes it. 18.10. It's off. We got a new high on AMC. Looking beautiful. If GME is any sign, I'd say no. Good point for sure. AMC is ripping. If it dips slightly at the opening, I'm going all in. Yeah, I mean, the only thing that I have to say to you, Ben's the official, is be careful with this because there's a risk involved. This is a very high risk stock. So whatever you put into this, be willing to lose. If I end up going to zero on my $7,500, which I don't envision happening, but if it does happen, I've already accepted that as a risk. But it looks like a lemon, smells like a lemon, tastes like a lemon. It's ripping, man. It pushed $18. Let's look for a little confirmation, but it looks like it's going to rip. We just need the volume to keep flowing, and the volume is high. We got a nice closing bar right here. Yo, welcome Mangled Mango. Buy AMC, do not sell. I'm not selling. I've got a overall position in AMC sitting at, let's find my position in all accounts. It's $5.09, 1,500 shares. Bought it for $7,440. So pretty filthy. We're looking nice right now. Charts look absolutely beautiful. Check out Express. I saw that it's running right now, and I pulled this up on the Discord, and it is trending right now. So I've got something called StockBot, and what this does is it tracks the most talked about stocks, top 10 across all Discords in the last hour. Express was trending number 3. They're currently sitting at 81 count, pretty high. AMC is still number 1 though, so I'm leaving all my eggs in this basket just because we know it's running. I'm not going to get too greedy. I want to keep my positions in my other stocks. In fact, probably take some profits eventually from AMC today and move it back over to some other stocks that I really like. But Express is running. It doesn't look bad. It looks like it's coming up on a very critical level right now. So we're going to watch for a push above this candle wick. If you see a push, it should run pretty hard. 670. And it looks like it's gaining momentum. Volume is following through. If you see a big closing bar of volume like this, I imagine a push through. Pretty critical time coming up right now. Nice doji candle. Bullish indicator. The wicks right now look very good. A lot of buying pressure. This is the only couple wicks that don't look good. That's not a great candle, but that's just price rejection at 670. It looks good. Is it still a buy at 15 to 16? I would wait for a pullback on AMC. I think it's going to be very, very volatile. Oh, oh my God. That is insane. Push $19. Still moving. 1914. New high. New retracement of 1255. So if it does pull back, I think it'll pull back to 1255. So 1255, I think, is a buy zone. If you see it pull back there, but just know that there's risk involved. So be very careful getting into the stock. It might not keep running. You may lose your money. Just be careful. That's all I have to say. Yo, all right. Beefed up position more with that $15 dip. Amen, man. It's ripping. It looks good. Not selling my AMC until Friday. I'm going to keep holding the AMC until I see this die down in Discords. If it's still being talked about, it's going to keep running. This is crazy. And this is going to have a nasty short squeeze. So if we come over here to the Discord, type in short AMC. We can see how many short positions there are currently in AMC. And from my understanding and memory, I think it is 36%. So we're gonna let that load come back. But I think there's a 36% short float percentage on this, which is extremely high. We can see a nasty squeeze. Just at a buy limit on BB. Good stuff. Good stuff, Triple H. BB is a good stock. And this has potential to do... Oh, it looks like it might be starting right now, actually. Dang! That's filthy. This looks good. But BB is a good company regardless. I'm going to hold this at least for the mid to long term. They're going to be a big disruptor if they can really capitalize on their tech for the autonomous driving sector. I really like that. I like that they're getting into that. But BB is a good thing. I have a position in BB as well. I think I'm in with like $5,000. S&PW screwed me. I have a video up on this, but I got a phone call regarding a family emergency, and I stepped away in the middle of a trade, just completely forgetting I had that trade. Got absolutely wrecked. So I'm a big fat bag holder right now. But BB, I'm in at 1965, 235 shares, $4,446, but I was down about 173 on the day. I'll hold that for a while. I like BB. Should I buy at the opening? I sold my AMC yesterday at 440. I'm hurting. Oh, I feel. Profit's profit, though. It is what it is. Let's see. Is AMC still a buy? Pull back to 1255. Watch for that. That's my personal opinion. If you buy at the top, there's risk involved. If you buy at a pullback when the RSI is pulling closer to 30, and I'll update you guys when a good buy time is. Right now is not a good buy time. It's ripping right now. We don't want to buy when it's ripping. Buy the dips, sell the rips. That's my opinion. What's the predicted price for AMC? Man, that's like trying to predict the weather if you're a weatherman. I don't know why I just changed it to AMC. It's already here, but I could see this. I mean, I thought $20. We're already almost at $20, so that's insane. I think if this really shorts and squeezes hard, you can see a really fat, filthy double up. I mean, GME went from $40 to 52 and then doubled up at a high of 119, doubled up again to the mid 200s, and it traded at 365 this morning. Absolutely insane. I could see a double up. I wouldn't be surprised whatsoever this touches 25, 30 bucks today. I'm glad I found this guy. Welcome, Brian. I'm glad you're part of the crew here. What's good, Trey? Welcome, G Burner. Good to see you. We're having lots of fun here today. I'm currently on quarantine for Bullock, so I got to sit in my room for 2 weeks. Nothing better to do than just watch some nasty price action on this chart. I am loving every single piece of action here. Sensei, let's get it. Welcome, J Skills. Thank you, my friend. Buy all down. Buy all is a buying opportunity. Don't worry about buy all. It's ripping right now, but it should see a bounce off of $1.23. If I remember correctly, I had a Fibonacci drawn up, and if we retrace this, yeah. So $1.21 from this base, if we change it over to here, you're looking at a $1.25 bounce. So it's currently below that. It looks like it's going to retrace based on this base. Watch for a bounce off of $1.21. That's my prediction. But there's probably people taking profits and moving over to these crazy plays. That'd be my guess. BB's good. I'm holding BB for the midterm, but in the short term, it's got potential for a disgusting squeeze, like an insane squeeze. It could do something pretty gnarly. Looks like it's starting to get some volume pumping too. I like BB. Sell limit at $111. Oh, man, if this hits $100, I would be rocking so hard. I would have turned $7,000 into $150,000. That's insane. I don't know. I think this play is going to make a lot of people millionaires, just like GME did. I'm losing my ass on SNPW. SNPW crushed me. This was so painful. Oh, it's at 10 cents right now. Ah, that hurts. That's painful to see. Hopefully we see a little bit of a bounce here in the regular market hours, but it doesn't look good. 20 bucks. Man, it's ripping. We got a new high. I'm going to adjust the Fibonacci. We're going to move the base to here. Good retracement, 1324. That's what we're looking at for a new entry point. 60 shares at 930. If you want to, there's risk involved. 60 shares isn't a lot. It depends on your risk management, right? So you're buying when this is extremely overbought. RSI is over 70 right now. It's absolutely ripping. We don't like buying on the rips. We like buying on the dips. And you will likely see a pullback, right? So if we look at this on the 2-day chart, we saw that it peaked out at 14 bucks, came all the way back down to 8. I think you're likely to see the same thing present itself. Don't succumb to FOMO. The opportunity will be there. I sold my AMC yesterday at 440. I know, it's so painful. Should I buy at the opening? Wait for the pullback. 1324 is the current level to watch for. I'm gonna scroll to the bottom just to keep up with everybody. Excited for videos the next 2 weeks? Heck yeah, that's what's up. Sorry, I just got here coming from Ollie. What's your plan, Trey? You selling anything at open? Not even a quarter for profit taking, or are you that confident? Thanks, Trey. Life-changing money. Good question, Ollie. I got it in at $5.09. So I think the risk for me is not extremely high. I don't feel bad leaving profits on the table if I'm up over 300%. Because at this point, 5, 10, 15, 20, I'm up over 300%, so I've got 21,000 sitting in my account. Once this hits 830, we'll see that pop up and I'll show you guys. But I think that the risk outweighs the reward, or the reward outweighs the risk. I'm just so excited. I'm slurring all my words. Hello from the Netherlands. Welcome, Diamond Collection. Did you miss the boat? If you're gonna buy, 1324 is the current retracement. Well, actually, we got to adjust it now. It's still ripping. 1353. That's where I'm looking right now. Yeah, you're likely to see a pullback. Please don't FOMO this. A lot of risk involved. If you're gonna get into this, scalp it. Get in and out very, very fast. Day trade. Otherwise, hold JagX. We'll cover JagX quick, but we're watching AMC for the day. JagX is dipping really hard because of what's happening with AMC, Express, and GME. Let's take a quick look at Express. I'm interested to see what happens. Oh my god, that's so nasty. This thing is up almost 200%. Closed at $3. Filthy. That is insane. We're looking good. Do not feed the shorts. I'll be holding for sure. BNGO is probably dipping right now. I think a lot of people are taking profits to get into these hot plays. And just as I thought, today's a buying opportunity for BNGO if you want to get in. We're going to scroll down to the bottom to keep up with everybody. Express hit $8. Oh, that's so nasty. 830, it's still going. That's insane. I can't believe that. All right, we're going to come back to AMC. Oh, 23 bucks. It pushed $23. Looking at a new high. Going to retrace it from this base. Retracement. We're going to flip these. That's backwards. 2354. Retracement currently 1893 is the new entry point based on this base. We'll update as we go. Almost $24. A little bit of price rejection. Red candle, red bar. Still extremely high volume. Red volume's not very high. Looking good. If we see a correction, this will probably be the time. It looks like we're starting to see this correction happen. So let's watch for a pullback to 1893. That's my prediction. Let's get this. What happened to Atos? Atos, I'm guessing all plays across the market are red right now. Atos, people are probably profit taking so they can get in on these crazy runners like AMC, GME, Express. That is my guess. COS, you bought COS yesterday and did poopy. Up today, can you check it out? COS is, I think this was one of those plays where it got pumped, to be honest. Let me look at the 1 month quick. Change it over. It's not looking bad right now. That's nasty. Up from $8. This is a huge pump off of not a lot of volume. I'm guessing this is going to continue to run in the regular market hours. But try not to chase. Don't buy in right now. Look for a pullback. We got a nice double bottom right here, which I call the George W. That looks very clean. Cost looks good. Double bottom. Pullback, 1550. That's a good entry point. Come back to AMC. Check out the action. $24. Oh, that is so nasty. I can't believe we're watching this happen, guys. This is the most insane day in the market I think I've ever seen in my entire life. The short percentage is 63%. That's huge. That is so nasty. This is looking like a GME setup, guys. This is gross. And think about this. The higher this runs, the more you're going to see shorts double down on their convictions, because that's what happened with GameStop. You'd see those big institutional companies would up their short positions to try and make back the money, and then just get extra squeezed. So I wouldn't be surprised if you see that happen with AMC. I urge you, please, 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 please do not short AMC. You will be trading severely against the grain, and the risk is extremely high. You may be able to squeeze out a couple dollars on one of these dips, but this is so volatile. It's just it can turn on a penny. I mean, we went up from $14 to $25 in a matter of like 10 minutes. Please don't short this. $21 on E-Trade. Nasty. Time for a shot of Woodford. You know, it is pretty early in the morning, but I don't mind. I'll rip it for the crew. Bottoms up, my friends. We call this call a shot, take a shot. That's what I'm calling it. All right, so we're seeing a pullback now. AMC is pulling back a little bit. We're gonna zoom in, just keep track of what's happening here. We're going to see if we have a bounce off of retracement at 2182, 23.6%. Still pulling back. Volume is still lower than the green bars, which is good. This is probably profit taking. People are probably locking in some profits right now, but I'm not scared. This isn't bad yet. If we keep stair-stepping higher lows and higher highs, it looks pretty good. And we do see that bounce. We'll see if we follow through with a wide range bar. Sank back through. Looks like buyers are stepping in. I like that wick underneath. That's a good bottoming tail. It looks like we're going to see a bounce. If we don't see a bounce, all right, so we push through. $20.71 is going to be the next level. So let's look like we're going to retest 2071 right now. Two pretty big wide range red bars. So this is the price correction. This is profit taking. We're going to look for a bounce off of 2071. If it doesn't bounce off of here, we're looking at 1982 and then 1893. These are the retracements. And this is very easy to do. You just take a Fibonacci, draw it from the bottom, and put the peak at the top of a run up. So we're going to be looking at, looks like buyers are stepping back in maybe, 2054. That's how we're looking right now. We'll keep you up to date, but I'm going to read some comments. Would I ever consider a call? The problem with calls is you can't capitalize on them in after hours. So if this runs up and doubles up, triples up, quadruples up in the after hours or the pre-market, you can't sell. And if we see a gnarly pullback at market open, we can't capitalize on that. But calls are a great tool. You can capitalize on a lot of gains with a lot less money. So it'd be huge for sure. I don't personally have one. I just have a position, but it's crazy. AMC looks good. That's a good one for a call. 420.69 looks dirty. Read some more stuff. Short volume, 24% on Express. How's Express looking right now? Little pullback. We'll drop a quick Fibonacci from the base. Looking like we saw a bounce off of 23%, 812. If you see another wide range candle bar that pushes past this level of resistance, if we zoom in really quick, you're going to watch for a push above this candle wick, which is sitting at about $8.35. If you see a push above $8.35, it'll continue its trend. Come back to AMC. Trey, do I like Jack Daniels? Yes, I do. Big Jack Daniels guy. CTRM down to 34% or 34 cents. CTRM, I'm guessing, is more profit taking. People are getting out of these plays to get into these crazy hot stocks right now. If you want to get into CTRM and you believe in the play, watch for a bottom out. It doesn't look like we found it yet. We're going to change over to the 10-day chart, take a quick peek. Critical level of support sitting at 33.8 cents. And it does look like we've seen a bounce. I think that's going to be the basement. Come back to AMC. Change over to the 1-day chart, 1 minute. So it does look like we saw a bounce, which is good. We saw a bounce, almost touched that 50% retracement. Coming back in, we got a wide range candle bar, engulfing candlestick pattern. Looks like we're beginning the next run. Next is going to be a push through, and it does look like we got it. A push through this candle wick right here at low of 22.79. Currently trading at 23.03. Looking very good. We got to push through that, though. Watch for a push over this level. Push over 23.25 is going to bring some more wide range bars. Bottoms up. Amen. That's what's up. That's what's up. Is it too late to buy when market opens? Watch for a pullback. That's my 2 cents. If we draw a Fibonacci from the bottom of this base right here, the lowest point on the day, you're looking at a retracement at best case scenario for an entry point. This is just best case scenario. I can't guarantee it happens. 15.14. Short term, if you're looking for a quick in and out, 19.30. But we did have a nice bounce off of this 38% retracement. A lot of strong buying pressure. Currently retesting. Looks like a little bit of battle between bulls and bears. If we push through $22.50, it's going to keep running. Hey, what's up? All my stocks are red. Zome getting killed. Yeah, I'm telling you, this is what's happening right now. People are profit taking from all their stocks to hop into these plays. I sold out of Zome to do a little bit of dollar cost averaging on SNPW, which is absolutely getting murdered right now. I'm very sad about that. I honestly might sell out of SNPW, but we'll see what happens. Come back to AMC. Looks like we're going to see a second retest of that retracement. We'll watch and see what happens. I love Jack Daniels. Thoughts on Anuv? Anuv, I'm guessing you're seeing more profit taking as well. People are trying to hop into these plays because they're going absolutely nuts, and we do see that happening. I'm still holding Anuv. I take this as an opportunity to dollar cost. My position is $1.13, and this is looking like it bounced off of $1.39 pretty well. Thank you so much. I'm a bot. Thank you for the donation. I appreciate that. $10. You're a man. You're the man. I appreciate you. 100%. You don't have to do that, but it is much appreciated. So that's what I'm looking at right now. Bounce off $1.39. We did see that. That'd probably be the basement. But if you see it push down, a lot of uncharted territory. It could come back down to $1.04. That'd be pretty unhealthy. Change it back to AMC. See what's happening. 1 day chart. Yeah, we're still seeing that tug of war. We got a nice bounce. Zoom in really quick. Look at these candle wicks. Pretty critical level. Holding very well. We've got 4 candle wicks, touching right around here. Come on, let me move this. There we go. Got 4 candle wicks touching at 21.37. That's a critical level to hold. If we hold that, you see a bounce. It does look like we might see that. We want an engulfing candlestick here. If we see this push above and you see a wide range bar that engulfs this red candle, I'd see a continuation trend. Let's look at this macroscopically. Looks like we may be seeing the beginning of a double bottom, which I like to call the George W. That's critical. This will be huge. I'm excited to see what happens. Market opens only 11 minutes away. We're getting close, guys. Do you think things will bounce back tomorrow after all the craziness? That's a great question. It's tough to say. I feel like this Wall Street bets thing is really altering the market, and that is absolutely insane. This is unprecedented. This is historic. I've never seen this before. I don't think anybody's ever seen this before. So it's tough to say what's going to happen. I anticipate that people are just pulling because they want to get in on this. There's a lot of hype, a little bit of FOMO, and people just want to make money on AMC, GME. Let's take a look at Express again. Express had a pullback, bounced really nice off of 38%. Wide range candle bar, looks like it's going to be getting another run. Looks good though, looks promising. I really hope SNPW doesn't bounce. No, that's so disgusting. I'm getting ripped on that. Not good at all. Oof. Let's change back to AMC quick. 2140, we're still seeing a little bit of bounce here. It's consolidating, nothing bad yet. We need to hold over 2150, otherwise it is likely going to start another bleed. 2150, we see a green bar. Still moving. Thoughts on APH? APH doing a little bit of bleeding, but they've got a lot of good news coming out. If you want to, I think a dollar cost average is a good situation here. Floor does look like $15, $16 and 55. Well, we closed at 16 bucks. 16 bucks looks like the floor. I like that a lot. Big question people have is when they should buy in. Yes, I will keep you guys up to date as I'm watching this. We'll change back over to the 1 day chart. Keep up with the live price action here. I think you're likely going to see a pretty harsh pullback eventually today, like 15 bucks. In between 15 and $17, I think is a safe buy. But we'll have to wait and see what happens. I feel like WSB will not be allowed to continue this in some shape or form. I agree. This is going to be something that the SEC definitely looks at very closely. I think this is going to be game-changing for sure. About 8 minutes away from open. Looking very good. I'm going to pull up... where can I see this? News and research, quotes and watch list. I'm looking for a market bell. Daily dashboard. There we go. We'll keep this down here. Market opens in 7 minutes. Still holding very well at 21.50. That's very reassuring. Buyers are keeping the price up. We got a couple of wicks underneath here, which indicates sellers are trying to drive the price down. Holding very well. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles with a bottoming tail. Good, strong buying pressure. RSI currently trading neutral. Very nice pullback. Nothing bad whatsoever. We are seeing a retest of previous pullback at 41. Not harsh whatsoever. That looks good. Looks very, very good right now. Got $4 call. 129 cost me $92. What would y'all do? That's nasty. You're sitting so filthy right now. I think it's going to keep running. This is a lot of buying pressure, a lot of crazy volume pumping into the stock right now. I would let it go, personally. How much growth do you think we should expect for AMC? That is so hard to say, man. This is unprecedented. This has never happened before. What I can say is, all you need to do is look at GME to know the potential of this stock. Oh, man. Retest. New high. We've got a new high on GME, guys. Pushed over. Very close to testing $400. That is dirty. Look at this volume. Huge green closing bar on volume. High point of the day. Looks like we're seeing a little bit of a pullback retest, but it looks good. Oh, man. That's dirty. All right, so we did have a push. It's coming back underneath. We're seeing a retest of 2054. We're going to look for a bounce on AMC. We got a candle wick underneath. 2060. I'm going to zoom in on this. Holding pretty well so far. We see it bottomed. It's coming underneath. Good long wick. Looks like some selling pressure though. It looks like we're going to retest 1930. So if you're looking for a quick swing, in and out, in and out, I'll let you know if we see a bounce. Don't get into this unless you see a bounce. If you see a bounce off of 1930, and make sure you do some risk mitigation. There's risk involved here. Retest of 1930 is coming. Hey, thank you, Patty. I appreciate that so much. That's awesome. You didn't need to donate, but I really do appreciate that you did. That means a lot to me. Thank you, my friend. Should I sell Bile to get into AMC for the day? Simon, good question. Bile is going to be a safe play. It's down right now, but it's not the end of the world. This is presenting a buying opportunity to you. We do need to keep core positions in our portfolio safe. That way they can continue to do what they do. Because if this does go wrong, you could end up losing the farm, and we don't want that to happen. So whatever you put into this, be willing to lose it. We don't want you guys to walk out homeless and not have the shirt on your back. I'm going to check out SNPW quick. So we saw a little bit of a bounce. Looks a little better. Back to AMC. Will it? Well, it'll be tough to pin anything on WSB for this. Once it's on Reddit, it's public info. Not all that different from a WSJ article or Kramer on TV yelling at you to buy X now. That's true. I didn't really think of that. That's a good point. I mean, what they're doing it's crazy. It's crazy what people can do with a $600 stimulus check and a website platform from the early 2000s. It's insane. This is unprecedented times. I don't think anybody's going to be held legally responsible. I just would be surprised if we don't see the SEC step in and change something here. So it looks like we're seeing red volume is starting to close down a little bit, starting to back off. Looks like we're looking for an engulfing candlestick pattern now. We held really well above 1930. We got an engulfing candlestick pattern. That's huge. We're watching for this. So if you're looking for an entry, this looks good. This would be a good entry. Be very careful though. Make sure you don't put any money into this you're not willing to lose. We saw it bounce off of 1930. Engulfing candlestick pattern. Looks like an upcoming trend reversal. FNG Montage HD, thank you for the donation. I appreciate the $5. I am a bot. If I lose everything, I'm going on food stamps. Oh no, brother, don't bet the farm. Don't bet the farm. It looks like it's going though. It looks like it's going. If you got it at 1930, you're looking pretty good. We've got the engulfing candlestick pattern. Still moving, seeing a retest of 2054, 50% retracement. I like this engulfing candlestick pattern. That is a huge bullish reversal indication. That's a good bounce. That's a good bounce off a level of support. I like that a lot. What Reddit is doing is bringing the power back to the people. Power to the people, baby. That's what's up. Back above $20. Looking good. Night load. That must be Buy the Dip. Buy the Dip. Welcome, my friend. Buy the Dip is a cool dude. I'm glad to have you as part of the Discord. You sent me a lot of good stuff in the PMs. I appreciate that. CTRM. It's pulling back right now. A lot of people are taking profits at different stocks. We saw a bounce off of 33 cents. Good level of support. I don't think you're going to see a drop below that. That's a good entry point. Come back to AMC. What is the exact name of the Fibonacci indicator? So if we come over to my draw tools, let me enter again. I don't know why it's not loading. There we go. So draw, you come over to Fibonacci. It's called Fibonacci Retracement in Fidelity Pro. You just click on that, put the base at the bottom of a run-up, peak at the top of a run-up, and it gives you ideas of where you might see it retrace to. Take a quick look at the price action here. Looking very good. We got a doji candlestick pattern. Dojis are a bullish indicator, especially because we held at the high of this candle. That looks good. Bottoming tail on the bottom of this. Looking for a push above $20.54. Saw a push through. High of the candle, 2058. We're looking to retest that. 2050, 2048, 2044. A little bit of indecision right now. Some red volume. Down volume though, which is not bad. Looks like another doji candle. When we see these consolidations and the volume is lower, that's good. You don't want to see a huge rip in red volume because that's going to push the stock price down. This still looks good. If we see another bounce off of 1930 and you miss your opportunity to buy in, that's going to be your chance. It will hit $40 by Friday. That'd be insane. Can you imagine? Can you imagine that double up? EXPR. We'll check out EXPR again one more time. EXPR. Not bad. Good bounce. We are in a downward channel though, so we need to break that. Critical time coming up. 1, 2, 3 different touch points. Looks like we are beginning a breakout, but we need to see a hard push. Big wide range candle bar. Come back to AMC. Third most popular on StockBot. Is it? Let's check this out. EXPR, yeah, there they are, number 3. AMC's number 1. A lot of push here. Let's take a look at BB. How's BB doing right now? Not bad. Consolidating, up and down price action. That's going to be a midterm hold for me. AMC. Still holding very well. Another doji candle. Looks like we're tightening on price action. I'm going to adjust this. Come out a little bit wider. $20.33. Seeing a little bit of selling pressure right now. I'm going to scrap this Fibonacci. We'll redraw it just so that we can get better view of the overall candles. So it looks like we're going to have a retest of 1930. Low of the candle, 1950. Looking for a bounce. The low here was 1950. That's where we're sitting right now. Low of this candle, 1951. Push under 1910. Candle wick. Market open. So I expect a little bit of volatility here with market open, guys. There's going to be a lot of volatility. So these first 5-10 minutes, they're going to be wild. They're going to see a price swing up and down multiple dollar signs. So you need a strong stomach for this. If you have a position in the low 4s, low 5s, I think you're sitting okay with AMC. Just be very careful. Don't put any money into this that you're not willing to lose. Price target. I could see this doubling up. It just depends on the overall short squeeze, right? If people cover today, I think I read in the comment section that the shorts percentage on this, the short float is 63%, which is extremely high. All right, so now we're going to see a retest that looks like of some previous levels of support. We push under $19, seeing a retest of $15.28. Two pretty wide bar candlesticks. Don't be scared. Let's take a look at GME. Same thing's happening with GME, and they are running up extremely high. They're up 102% on the day at $300. Take a look at AMC again. AMC's up on the day 243%, 244%, 245. So they're giving a little bit back, not a bad thing. We're looking for a bounce off of 1527. This may present itself as a good buying opportunity. We're going to see what happens. WSB was putting a lot of energy into Noke. What do you think of them? I've heard that this might be potential in the future here. Seeing the same thing happen. They're up 3% right now, so not a lot of running. If you look at most popular stocks being talked about, they make number 5 on the list. I think this has potential in the future. It's just not quite there yet. AMC was on this list, sitting at number 5 or 6 for a couple of days before today. So I'm imagining BB or Noke will be the next ones up on the list. Come back to AMC. We saw a green candle here. Let's see if we see it on AMC. Long wick underneath. Still pushing down. I'm guessing we're going to see a retest here at the base. I always look for streams during the market. I'm so glad you're doing one right now. Thank you, Theo. I appreciate that. What's a good price target for EXPR? How high will this go? That's a good question that I don't think I can answer. It's up 129% on the day. That's filthy. Predicting this is like trying to predict that GameStop would go from $19 to $380. Who could have guessed that? That's insane. Oh, man. We see a reversal on GameStop. GameStop and AMC are pretty closely mirroring each other. If we change this right now, pull up GameStop, I think that you'll see pretty similar things on the charts. So we'll change it over to today. Change it to 1 minute. See a trend reversal. AMC has not quite had it yet. Thank you, Sand Dollar. I like the little stamp. The coffee. Ah, man. I wish I had some coffee, but I've just been drinking Diet Dew. I appreciate the $4 though, my friend. Thank you. My Robinhood just crashed. There's a lot of buying pressure right now. A lot of people trying to get in on this. It's not surprising. I hope that you're working out okay, man. Robinhood froze. COS. Is COS off still? Is it going off? This is another one of those Twitter plays. Little pullback. Looks like pretty similar price action to GME and AMC right now. Yep. So it's just giving a little bit back right now. Still up 50% on the day. I anticipated this happening. We're just seeing a little bit of a pullback. I'm not worried yet. We do see, it looks like the beginning of a bounce. So we're going to watch for a bounce here. What just happened? Did I see EXPR is suspended? Really? It's halted, huh? 698? Dang. What is happening? AMC is still moving. Is GME still moving? GME is still moving. Express is not. Express is halted, huh? They are. 698. I wonder if this is going to end up happening. Crazy. Oh, man. AMC now or GME? Fidelity won't even load. BB is go up today. BB could go up today. It's looking like it's starting to. We're seeing a little bit of a push. Volume is up. Nice. We got a big red bar right here. This could be shorts. This could be shorts covering right now. Or selling, I should say, not covering. But we're seeing a nice wide range bar right now. Looks like it's starting a good move. We'll come over to AMC. AMC looks like it may be getting a trend reversal, but that's a pretty ugly topping wick. I think you're likely going to see a retest of 1530 or so. It'll depend on if we push. We retested $17 and there was some price rejection. A lot of selling pressure. I think there's people taking profits right now. I told everyone earlier that Robinhood was having issues. Yeah, man, I saw that too. It's just extreme demand. Everything's going crazy right now. Here comes the halts. Yeah, it looks like we might see it. Express, still halted. GME. GME still moving. AMC, still moving. That's a pretty ugly topping wick, though. We'll see what happens. It's pushing. 1613. Jay Crazy says, should we sell AMC or keep? If you're happy walking away with profits, don't be afraid to do so. We are up a lot of money right now. This stock is up over 200%. If I check out my current positions, AMC is up a lot. 228%. Current value up $17,000. Up $12,000 on the day. And that's with a pretty bad bleed on SNPW. I'm going to continue to hold mine. But do your own due diligence. Make your own risk management decisions. It doesn't look bad. As long as it doesn't get halted. I don't know if it has yet or not. It looks like it is still moving. 1610, 1596. This looks like the beginning of maybe a cup. Looks like we may see a slow movement here. Do not sleep on Noke. I think Noke will be good. It's just not there yet. It's getting ready. The volume's not quite there. Not a lot of numbers here in the pre-market. But I do think Nokia will be the next move in the future. Express still halted. Still halted. GME. GME is moving. AMC. Seeing a retest of 15.30. Pushing under. 15 bucks. Price rejection. 15.42. 31. We're looking for a bounce here. Should I buy more AMC on a dip today? That is totally up to you. There's risk involved with AMC, so just tread very, very cautiously. I think that I may end up getting into AMC with a little heftier position. It'll depend on SNPW, which is absolutely bleeding right now. I'm going to take a look at SNPW just out of curiosity quick. It does look like we may have found a floor here at 9 cents, but it's looking ugly. AMC looks like it's holding at $15. Couple of candle wicks underneath, which is promising to see. I like that. We're looking for a wide range bar though. We need a green wide range. We need an engulfing candlestick pattern, and we'll know we have a trend reversal. AMC to 80. Woo-hoo-hoo. So if it gets halted, I see it as a good thing. It will show people that the stock market is scared of the people. Oh man, that'd be crazy. Could you imagine that? Am I worried about a share offering? Well, with a share offering, that typically affects stocks that people are actually investing in. But I think a lot of people are just kind of YOLOing this thing. They're getting in on the hype and they're chasing, right? In a real world, a direct offering would matter, yes. I don't think it'll affect this in the current following days. I think once this is all said and done, though, AMC is going to be in a whole different place than they were before. Is cost halted? Let's take a quick peek. It does look like cost is still moving. Let's see if we have any price action. 1673, has it moved? Cost may be halted also. Oh my God. What a crazy day in the market. This is insane. I have never seen this happen. This is unprecedented, guys. This kind of thing has never happened in the market. We've got two stocks right now that are halted. COS and Express. AMC is still active. GME. Still active. BB. Still active and moving. BB is moving really well. That looks good. Come back to AMC, see if we have any sort of bounce yet. Looks like the beginning of a bounce. We've got a nice cup that's starting to form here. I'm going to take a look at SNPW. Still at 9.25. Correcting a little bit. I may add to my position here. I'm going to wait to see that we have a hard price move. If we don't, I'm just going to let it run. Calls are down some BS. Fidelity under maintenance. I don't know why my Fidelity is still running. That's crazy. Express is active. Good, 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 good. Thank you for the update, guys. Appreciate that. Express is moving. 588. Little bit of a bounce. Look for a hold over this level. I like that candle wick underneath. Looks like we're having a reversal. Looks clean. If you're looking for a quick entry point, risk is involved. Be very careful. You might lose money. Have a stop loss set. Good entry looks like about now. We're looking for a wide range candle bar. If you see a wide range that pushes above this candle wick, that'll be very indicative. Coming close. We need a little bit of a push. Volume should follow through. Testing. Wick is above. If volume follows through, this looks like a buy. It might. Looks like a little bit of rejection. I'm waiting for a hard push before I give the confirmation. There it is. 605. There's the push. That looks like a buy. AMC. Oh yeah, it's off. It's moving. Two wide range candle bars. Pushed above the previous wick. Looks very clean. I like that. It looks good. It looks good. It's still moving. 1724. It doesn't look like it's moved. AMC suspended. Oh my God. That's crazy. We are living in some crazy times right now, guys. Is GME still moving? It is. Dang. So, since the stock is halted, what this means is the market makers are just stopping the price action on this right now. That doesn't mean it'll be closed for the rest of the day. We saw this happen with Express, and Express is moving again. Currently trading at 633, 634. Got that nice confirmation with the wide range bars. AMC, we're just going to wait to see what happens. We have to wait for them to reopen. It's suspended currently. In the meantime, it's halted. Crazy stuff, guys. Well, in the meantime, I'm going to come back over to SMPW, look at some price action here. Looks like we are seeing a little bit of buying pressure, which is good. Down 31%. This is absolutely crushing me. I'm down a lot. But on the day, I'm up $14,000. I cannot complain about that at all. BB looks like it's running. Let's take a quick look at BB. Up $723. A little bit of price correction happening now. That's a good wide range engulfing candlestick pattern. This is called a two lows, high close. And what that is if we zoom in here on this candle wick pattern, we see a candle that opens high, closes low, opens low, closes high. So that's a two lows, high close. That is a bullish indicator, and that we do see the confirmation here with another wide range candle bar starting to form. I'm anticipating we see a retest of BB at $23.40. We're going to wait to see what happens. But I'm anticipating that's what's happening next. A lot of buying pressure. Volume is good. Following through. Good wick underneath. Weak selling pressure. BB looks solid. Express got halted again. Oh my God. Man. Can a halt be a good sign? It can mean a couple of things. So this basically means that market makers are not able to keep up with the price action on AMC. They're slowing things down a little bit. There's extreme demand. If I had to guess, they might not have enough shares to get people. There may be some issues in terms of getting the orders filled. Express is halted again. 679. Halted. Man. Too much flow. That's a good point. Mark James, that's my guess as well. AMC up $18,000, 247% today. That is nice. $14,600 up on the day, pushing 40K. This is the filthiest day I've ever had in the market, guys. This is nice. I hope everybody's portfolios right now look absolutely filthy. This is a very exciting time. Cloud is down for me. Anuv is down. MVIS is down a little bit. SMPW is crushing. I am down at a really bad amount. For anybody that's wondering what happened with SMPW, I got a phone call from a family member, and I was in the middle of a trade. I was scalping. I scalped the first time for about $1,000. Scalped the second time for about $900. Entered a third trade, got a phone call. It's a family situation I'm not going to disclose, but I had a third trade opened, and I completely spaced my mind. My mind was completely with my family, and I came back an hour later to being down like 50%, and oh my God, that was painful. Nokia is running. Let's take a quick peek. It is 5%. This could be the beginning. Volume is high. 5% up on the day. Positions. Looks like it's going to do it. We see a test. Push through 505. That looks good. It came through. It followed. I'm going to put in a trade tab here, just so that if I want to make a trade, we can make that happen. I'm going to look at Nokia, and we may enter this. I'm going to watch for a pullback. I don't feel comfortable getting in quite yet. We'll look at, it's trading at $5. We'll look at 1,000 shares. Market, preview. I'm guessing there's some pretty gnarly problems happening right now in the market. Oh, man. This is nasty. What price should I buy into BB? Thank you for the $2. I really appreciate that, Erics. We'll take a quick peek. I wonder why that's happening. Preview. So BB, I think a good entry point is in the low 20s. If you see a pullback, enter at low 20s. We do have a nice retracement line right there. We'll check this out on the 2-day. Low 20s looks good. Otherwise, if we see a pullback, I put a video out on this and saying 1750 is a good point. But it looks like it's going to be some buying pressure today. So that is my guess. We're going to come back to NOK. Does anybody know if AMC is live again? We'll take a look at positions. AMC is moving. I don't know why my order tab isn't working. NOK. Buy. 1000. Order type. Market. Preview. Day. That's kind of goofy. We're going to come back to AMC. All right. Let's change this to the 1-day chart. Fidelity is freaking out right now. It's being real goofy. All right, so it does look like we're seeing a little bit of selling pressure. A couple of long wicks here. Big red volume. If I had to guess, this is shorting. This is people doubling down on short positions. That could be really dirty. This is huge. That is a big number. So if we end up seeing some buying pressure and people pushing this up, this could cause a nasty squeeze. Does anybody have level 2s on this? Drop level 2s in the chat if you do. I'd be interested to see. We're going to come back to NOK. Still running. 514. I am confused as to why my trade bar is not working. I don't want to buy in yet, but I just want to have it ready just in case. Yeah, that's being funky. I wonder if it's just with Nokia. We'll look at AMC. Buy. Preview. Buy. 1000. Order type. Market. Day. Preview. Yeah, it must just be Fidelity. Fidelity's goofing out. Come back to AMC. Check out Bile. I'll look at Bile quick. EXPR is active. Bile's on the move. Dang, look at that. That was a big buying opportunity at $1.15. Looks like it's going to keep running. Bile's got a news catalyst coming up. That could be good. EXPR's moving. They're tightening on price action right now. Looks like we're beginning a tightening squeeze. We'll see how this plays out. We'll come back to this. Take a look at AMC again. AMC at 1434. I think this was really heavily shorted, guys. That is a lot of volume. 32 million in red volume. I think people shorted this. If anybody's got the level 2s, let me know. Oh, but thank you for the level 2s. I appreciate that by the dip. So looking at the level 2s, we've got quite a few bids at 1417's got the most bids. I think that's likely where you're going to see it bounce if it does happen. Is it halted again? Why do I not see it moving? I think it's halted again. It's not moving. God dang. That is insane. This is the craziest thing I've ever seen, man. I cannot believe what's going on. This is just unprecedented. I'm going to open a new trade tab and see if I can figure out why this is doing that. Come back, trade, AMC. Or how's the Nokia looking? We're going to come back to Nokia while AMC is halted. NOK is moving. Buy. 1000. Order type. Market. Preview. I'm going to buy. We're looking for a test of 514. Very large, wide range candle bar. I'm going to get a new trade ready. Just by the off chance that we see something go wrong here. Sell. 1000. Order type. Market. Preview. I've got this ready. I'm going to watch this closely until AMC goes back up again. Pushing through. 512. Take a look at positions. My dollar cost average got filled at, not in yet. Still moving. Look at history. Bought position, Nokia, 1,000 at 510. Currently trading at 511. ACM, we'll take another quick peek or AMC I should say. Still halted. Not moving. Come back to Noke. I'm up $1,800 on AMC call. Woo-hoo-hoo! Buy 5,000 shares of Nokia. Dang. Buy AMC. I will. I think I'm going to. I want to see a hard pullback though. The price action is currently halted. I've got Nokia pulled up right here on the trade, so I'll be able to watch this. We are breaking the market. Can never go wrong buying Noke. Anything around 5 is a steal in my opinion. Hold it for the year. They signed with T-Mobile that provide 5G, largest cellular service in the US. I love Nokia. I think it's a great company. Man, AMC's halted, huh? Noke. Noke is trying really hard to move. This is a critical level. Up 7% on the day. 509. Look at the positions. Noke down 10 bucks. Looks like it's getting ready to push. We're waiting to see. Man, SNPW is absolutely crushing right now. I can't sell this though. I can't sell for an $8,000, $10,000 loss. That's just not doable. Ooh. Come back to Noke. AMC, is AMC live again? AMC down to 15. AMC still halted. Yep. Look at Noke. Pushing 510. It's consolidating. We see a funneling of price action right now. Tightening. It's squeezing up. This is getting ready. It's either going to move really harsh up or really harshly down. So we're going to get ready for that. If it's heavily shorted, it's a great company now. Amen. Amen to that. 511, 512. We need to see a retest of this candle wick. It's coming up close. Coming up close. Oh. 511, 510, 511. We need to break through that candle wick at 512. Push through at 512 is going to bring us to a retest of 514. 510, 511. We'll check out BB quick. Oh, the background noise is the stupid heater. I apologize, guys. I'll shut that off. All right. BB doesn't look bad. We see a bounce. Double bottom right here. This looks like the beginning of a George W. Could be good. Why is JagX sinking like a rock? People are profit taking to get into these other hot plays. That's my guess. JagX will still be a good play, but the internet is breaking right now. The stock market is absolutely crushing. Was it halted again? No way. Halted again. Oh, now it's moving. All right. I'm going to look for a bounce, and then I might add to my position in AMC. Buy. I'll look to add 500 shares if we see a bounce, but I want to make sure that we see the bounce first. That's a pretty long candle wick, so I don't feel comfortable with that yet. I want to see a bounce. It's breaking. Bought at 116. Express has fallen. These kind of harsh pullbacks happen, guys. I'm not stressed yet. GME did the same thing. If we look at their 5-day chart, they swung from $360 all the way down to $198. These kind of retracements definitely are possible. If we take a quick look at AMC again, we draw a retracement. It's pushing pretty hard right now, but there's a lot of short volume. Look at this. That's 45 million shares of short volume. We haven't seen a bounce yet, though. Let's see what happens. AMC's halted again, huh? Man, that is insane. Noke looks like it pushed it. It pushed 510. 515. Express. Express is looking at a critical level coming up here. Suspended. AMC suspended. AMC halted. Man, that's just nasty. Anuv. Anuv is making a good bounce. It's coming back. I think people are starting to buy on this dip. Good buying opportunity. It's down 11% on the day. A lot of people are taking profits to get into these crazy stocks like AMC and Nokia and Express and GameStop. Nokia's still moving. How is SNPW still bleeding? That is nasty. Oof. 7 cents. Lot of selling pressure. That's rough. Doesn't look great. We'll come back to AMC. Just take a quick peek at everything here. Looks like it's still halted. Well, no, it's not halted because the price action here is going to change. Thoughts on SPCE? SPCE is a good company. I think they're and that's a pretty harsh price action, right? Let's take a look at the last 5 days. I think they moved quite a bit. Yeah, they're moving. Virgin Galactic is good, and they've got I can't remember the name of the company, but they've got an acquisition company as well. I think SPCE is going to do well. They had a test of a rocket launch coming off of an airplane, and it was successful, which is absolutely insane. Look at Nokia. Push. We got it. We got the push. 518. 519. 518, 519. Looking like we're going to continue the push. 9.73% is what we're up right now. Looks pretty dirty. AMC still halted. Zoom is down to 93 cents. Thank you for the donation, Nicholas. We'll take a quick peek at Zoom. It did bounce though, which is good. If you were able to buy on that dip, I think that's the cheapest price point you're gonna be able to get in on Zoom. That looks pretty solid. It is down 7% on the day, but it will come back. Zoom is a good play. I feel good about Zoom. Ooh, Noke is doing its thing. Noke is running. Noke is absolutely running right now. Express. It is not halted anymore, so Express is moving again. AMC is still halted. Is Anuv a good buy now? Anuv is probably in a huge buy zone if I had to guess. I think this is a good buy for sure. $1.43, down 12% on the day. You're probably not going to see it that cheap for much longer. I like that a lot. AMC still halted. We'll come back to Noke. 531. A lot of wide range bars here. Volume is insane. Gonna take a peek at what we're up. Noke up 5%, $240. 535. 537. It's pushing. It's pushing hard. Noke prediction. Tough to say, man. This thing is it's running crazy. I mean, every stock in the market right now is just not behaving normally. If we take a peek at their 1 month, Noke is absolutely crushing it. Oh man, coming up to a very key level. Huge level. We're looking at a resistance line right here, 537. If you see a push through that, it's going to be violent. Violent. That'll be a climactic push. Coming up very close to 537. Looks like we had a touch point. A little bit of price rejection. We're going to wait to see how this plays. Price rejection, long wick on the bottom. If we see a red candle and then a green candle following that matches that same price zone, I think you're going to see a push above 537. When you're trying to sell Noke, I will take profits if it does not push 537. If we see rejection, I will take profits. So I'll get this ready. Watching for a push over 537. If we don't get it, I'll take profits. AMC will go insane after hours today. AMC I'm holding, without a doubt. Oh, we got a push. 538. We need a hard push. This candle needs to close. We need closing volume. It needs to push hard. 539. It's going to keep running. 540. 543. What a filthy day in the market. You guys are absolute animals. Whoever brought up Nokia, thank you so much. This is filthy. That looks real nice. Follow 537. Long wick here. We need to close this off. It needs to hold. 535, 534. 533. Seeing a little bit of price rejection. That might have been a false break. AMC, is AMC back up? It is. 1302. $526, 526, 25, 24. I gotta come back to Nook real quick. I gotta look at these charts. Looks like it's bleeding. Price rejection. If we see a push under this candle wick, I'm selling. Out. Locked in profits. Closed. Nook. It'll pop up in a little bit here. Nook. $65 profit. Money's money. Oh, man. Go figure. That's how she goes. All right, AMC. We'll come back. AMC looks like it's halted at the moment. AMC. Buy. Halted. It's not moving yet. We are going 100 plus on AMC. I'm not leaving AMC. They're going to need the National Guard. I agree. I'm holding. I'm telling you. The upside is basically infinite. And my risk here is maybe it comes back down to $5, right? I'm holding personally. I agree. Is BB a buy? Let's take a quick look at the price action here. Lead before the rally, just like GME and BB. I agree. BB looks like it's beginning a good move. It could be pretty good. Robert Collins, thank you so much for the donation, man. I appreciate that a lot. You're the man, for sure. Awesome. BB is going to the moon. I agree. I think BB is going to be great. It's going to be a good stock. Can't even get on 212 to check. My account was... Oh, man. I feel like all brokerage accounts are just tripping right now, man. It's crazy. It's just... This has never happened before. This is seriously unprecedented territory. It's crazy, without a doubt. Gotta thank you, Trey. You helped me make $3,000 today. My first perfect swing trade. That's what we love to see. Amen. I'm glad you're making money. That's what's up. Why AMC always getting halted? It's because of the extreme demand. I mean, we know that AMC is kind of breaking the internet right now. If we come over to StockBot, check out most popular stocks being talked about across all discords. AMC was number 1 at 616 total discords. We'll take a quick look again at most popular symbols when this pulls up. We'll come back to it. Currently still halted. How's GME looking? Is it still moving? StockTwits is down? What? What is happening? What a crazy day. That is insane. Oh my gosh. Sorry, for some reason Reddit can't be reached. Wall Street Bets is down. Oh, it's back. Just kidding. All right, that's just nuts. I can't believe this. GME looking pretty good still. AMC still halted. BB without my pillows and it's still going to the moon. Should I double down on AMC? There's risk involved. Just be careful. Anything you put in there, you got to be willing to lose. Sandollar, thank you for the $5. I appreciate that. Noke, we're gonna check out again. Sandollar, I like that. That's good. I like that meme. That cracks me up. Imagine opening your first brokerage account 2 weeks ago and you're already doubling the money you already had. Yeah, I can't imagine. That's pretty crazy stuff. Robert, thank you again for another $2. You're the best. Check out CVLB. Grab 50 shares at $7.55. CVLB. Take a quick peek. Look at the 1 month chart here. It's doing a little correcting. Take a peek at this correction where we might see a bottom. 755, you're looking pretty good. That's a good average. All that it's doing right now is correcting. We look like we might see a bounce off of 61.8% at 1543. Volume not very high today, which indicates that this is maybe being short sold, or maybe there's a little bit of profit taking, but it's not in dangerous territory yet. Big gap between 15 volume and 200 EMA. RSI is just correcting. Not bad. I hope that helps, man. AMC still halted. How's Noke looking? Noke's at 522. 521, 520. Look at today. Change it to the 1 minute. Would you sell out a BNGO to buy into AMC short term? I love BNGO. I think if you're going to pull from a position, it's probably not that one. I think there's better places to pull your cash from. The slow movers, like if you're in Zome, that might be good. And Nuve, you can take profits from and get back in. I would hold your position in BNGO personally. Express. Let's take a quick peek. Express, is it moving again? 588, 587, up 93% on the day. AMC's back. It's rocking. 1355, 56. I'm gonna look at a quick flip here. $500 preview. We'll get it ready, but I'm not going to confirm this purchase until we see a hard trend reversal. $6,793 locked and loaded. We're gonna get ready. I want to see a test above this candle wick, and once we see that, I'll press place. 1418, 1430, 31, 33. If we push past this candle wick, I'll pull the trigger on 500 shares. 1431, 25, 32. If we see a push above this candle wick, it'll keep running. It's gonna have to retest that. AMC is back up and running. Trey, I'm new here. You're the man. Thank you for the great vids. Thanks, Brett. I appreciate that, my friend. You're the man. 1443. 1449, 50, 51, 57, 59. All right, place. New trade. AMC. Action. Sell. Quantity. 500. We're just going to get it ready in case we see some price rejection. 76. 72, 70, 73, 68. 98. It's pushing. Long wick underneath here. A lot of buying pressure. Looks like it's getting ready for the next leg. Take a quick look at history. See what I purchased this at. We bought into AMC. Looks like it has not gone through yet. I am not in GME. Good question, Theo. ACST, I'll take a quick peek. ACST does not look bad. We'll take a look at this on the 1 month. I do want to try and keep this primarily into the trades that I'm currently holding, just because I don't want to end up losing money. But just a quick peek, we're looking at a little bit of retracement from the base here. Looks like a bounce off of 61%, which is 62 cents. Looks like it's running. ACST looks good. It's down, but it looks like it's going to make a correction. Coming back to AMC. AMC is gapping. Looks good. Wide range bar. Looks like it's moving nice. 1531, 15. Zinix, thank you so much for the $1. I appreciate that, my friend. You're the man. You are the man. AMC, I don't think those shares went through. If they did, it hasn't updated yet. That's confusing. Orders. Still open. So it's waiting to be filled. Express is running. Take a quick peek. Oh yeah. That looks good. I might get in as Express for a quick flip. We're gonna watch for We're gonna watch for a push over this level of resistance, and if we get it, I'm gonna ride the wave. Take a quick peek at AMC. Currently trading at 1575. Order did not fill. I'm gonna cancel that order. Orders. I don't want to get screwed on that, so I'm gonna cancel. I don't know why it didn't fill. There must not have been enough demand. Express. Push above this resistance line. Let's see if we get it. 664. We need to push 670 and I'll execute the trade. Order just went through. Hold the line. I agree. Yeah, man. AMC is... Everybody wants it right now. It's tough. This is insane. CTRI went back up. That's good. Trey had a PT test this morning at Knox, but now I'm off to enjoy this with you in the market. Thanks for what you do. Jake and Grace Bunk, that is awesome, man. I'm glad to see that. I've got an ACFT coming up here in a couple weeks, and that will be something. Did you take the APFT or the ACFT? I personally like the APFT more, but I'm a small guy. Couldn't fill any orders. High demand, man. AMC is skyrocketing again. Let's take a quick peek. Come back to AMC. I don't think I'm going to pull the trigger on Express. It didn't meet the confirmation I'm looking for. AMC, 1472. If we see a push over this resistance at 1579, we'll consider adding another 500 shares. AMC falling because the orders won't go through. That is so weird. How is my SNPW? Feel very bad for you. Yeah, it's not doing great. But I can't sell this. I can't. There's no way. If you just caught up with the live stream, what happened is I was day trading SNPW. I got in the first time, scalped it for $1,000. Second time, got in, scalped it for about $900. Executed a third trade, got a phone call about a family emergency, and I completely spaced that I had an open position in this. Came back and it was down 50%. Absolutely crushed me. It was bad. But nothing I can do now. Just gotta wait. Almost 16 and dropped to 14. Jeez. Marines all day though. PFT is harder. Yeah, I agree. I totally agree. I wouldn't argue with that at all. I wonder why the orders aren't filling on AMC. That is strange. JagX moving. Please don't spam. I will get to it if I have time, but we're just trying to watch the plays that we're on right now. But JagX looks good. Ascending wedge formation. If you see it push above this top trend line, it should start moving again. It looks pretty good. We can actually extend this trend line out to here. Still down? I'm dying slowly. AMC is just looking goofy. It's because of the extreme demand. Your AMC went through? Good. I placed an AMC order pre-market and it didn't even go through. It's because people have to be willing to sell their shares, and I don't think anybody wants to sell right now. So it's just hard to buy. Oh, man. I feel really bad, AJD, that your 212's been down. That really sucks. I really hope people aren't losing money out there. How do I feel about CCIV? If that merger with Lucid goes through, CCIV will be a crazy runner, like a huge competition to Tesla. Guaranteeing orders, but servers still down. Thank you for JagX. No problem, man. I appreciate that. Hey, if you guys could all just take 1 second and drop a like on the video, it really does help support the channel. I don't ask for much, but I tell you what, you drop a like and I'll drop a shot. How's that sound? Fair trade. Thank you very much. All right. Peter, am I still holding Bio? Bio was a goofy situation, man. So they had this really tight channel of price action for a while, and over this 10-day period, we saw a bounce between $1.20 and $1.04 like 5 times. So I sold it at $1.20, hoping for a bounce back down to $1.04, and we didn't get it. So I'm still out, but I'm watching for a retest of $1.20, and I'll get back into Bio. Coming back to AMC. Noke. I did sell Noke. I just wanted to lock in profits. I didn't get much. I think it was like $65, but I'd rather take profits than leave it on the table. I'm just gonna scalp this. I'm watching very closely for trending price action, and I don't want to get in if it bleeds, because we are up. Well, it's only 8%, but I'm just being careful. I don't want a repeat of SNPW, because I am a big fat bag holder on SNPW. We'll look at 700 shares. How's AMC looking? AMC hold. Good old Woodford Reserve. Amen. Great job. When should I buy AMC? Well, first thing I want to say about AMC is don't buy in with any money that you're not willing to lose, because AMC is extremely, extremely volatile. As we've seen, it's gone up to $25 and it's come all the way back down to 11. So anything that you put into this, you need to be willing to lose, as there is a lot of risk involved. So if you're looking for a buy zone, we do see that there is a price rejection at $11. If you retest that, that's going to be a good place to get in with your shares. Volume is down a little bit. Starting to drop off. Buy the dip. Express is running. It is. I doubt my order is going to fill, but we'll get ready just in case. I'm going to watch for a test and a push of 670. If we get it, I'll lock in this order. Preview. There we go. Buy 700. Market. I want to see a push. We haven't had it yet. Is Vine a good stock? I totally think Vine's a great stock. I think that's one that could double or triple up in the next couple months. They're awaiting pending approval on FDA for a phase 3 drug. Could be very good. I like that price action. If this forms a doji, I might click it. AMC, huge short interest still. Yeah, there is, man. AMC, is AMC moving again? AMC testing 15. It is. Let's see if we have a push. Buy 500. We got the push. It's moving. I want to see a test and a push through $16. And if we get it, I'll pull the trigger. Charlie said a good point. So listen to what he said. He said you should not be investing in these stocks unless you're willing to lose all of it. People that bought GME at $330 about 7 minutes ago are currently down $75 per share. And that's a good point. Make sure that you guys are doing some risk management, because there is a lot of risk involved with getting into these stocks. We saw a push from 330 down to 274 on GME. AMC is down a pretty decent amount from pre-market levels. We did anticipate this drop, right? But there's risk involved. So please, 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 if you're going to buy into this, be willing to lose that money. There is risk. The reward is high, but the risk is high too. Man, your analysis made me some money. Let me return the favor and check ADXS. Let's take a peek. Ooh, that looks good. It's forming a cup and handle. Oh, this could be a good swing trade. This could be a good in and out. I'm glad that you brought that to my attention. Hey Trey, do you think 238 is a decent price for Vine? Yes, today is a big buy day for Vine. And I bet that they're actually getting beat down a little bit right now. VLDR short percentage is over 50%. ADXS I want to keep in the back of my mind. Ooh, ho, 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 ho. That's nasty. Look at that clean movement. I pulled the trigger at 1346. Get the whiskey glass. All right, man. Call a shot, take a shot. That's how she goes. Thank you, my friend. I appreciate the $5 also. You're the man. What is going on in the market? Manny, who freaking knows? We live in some weird times. ADXS coming back. How's your girl Mavis? Mavis is looking pretty good. She's moving again. Looks like we're going to retest that $8.10 mark. I'm excited. AMC is going up. Let's peek. Let's take a quick look. 15.13. I kind of want to pull the trigger on ADXS, but I want to watch AMC closely, so I might not. I think I'm going to leave ADXS because we know that there's a lot of volume and volatility here, so I can make a quick squeeze with a couple hundred shares. We'll lock 700 if we get a push over $16. Waiting for that push. We need a push over 1570. If that happens, I'll pull the trigger for a quick momentum swing. 1579 is what we're looking for. Don't pull too many shots. We kind of need you clear-headed. Nah, I'm good, guys. I promise you. I promise you. I promise you. We're waiting for that pull. We need that push. If the push happens, 1574, 73, 76, 75, 76, 74. If it breaks, I'm pulling the trigger. We need a hard push, though. It needs to follow with volume. Hasn't happened yet. A little bit of price rejection. Pull. AMC to the moon. Thoughts on AAL? American Airlines is a good quarantine play. I think they'll continue to grow up until the country reopens. Keep on buying AMC, y'all. JagX Express is running. It is. Oh, I like that. It's coming up really close. Coming up really close to a break. If that break comes, this could be really dirty. Didn't do it. Pull back. Yeah, that's a great idea, Manny. I'm glad you brought that up because there is a lot of plays right now in the market that are down because people are taking profits and positions out of their main stocks to pull the trigger on EXPR or AMC or GME, right? And I don't completely agree with that. You know, it can be a good quick money play, but there's extreme volatility and risk here. So just make sure that whatever you pull the trigger on, you're willing to lose that money. But I'm glad that you took the advantage of dollar cost average. That's good. There's never a bad thing about that. What is the father? A man. I knew the stocks I have on 5:15 a.m. See if it goes up again. Should I sell it or hold, and for how long? I'm not sure if I know what you're saying. Are you talking about AMC? I think AMC is going to continue to run. It's just going to take some patience. It's a lot of volatility. We knew it would be volatile. It has been volatile. Same with GME. It can swing up or down multiple dollars throughout the day. We're coming up on the push here on EXPR. If it pushes 670, I'll pull the trigger. I don't want to get in if there's a price rejection. I'm waiting for that confirmation. Long wicks here. It looks like it might reject. I don't like setting a limit order, AJ, on day trades because sometimes what'll happen is a wick will touch 670 or 671, 672, and it'll reject. And it'll push through that price and you'll get a false break and it'll pull back and then you're caught holding the bag. I prefer to watch for the break. Getting rejected when I try to buy with AMC, that's gnarly, man. It's a crazy day in the market. I can't believe this is happening, honestly. The trading apps are being shut down. Ooh. AMC volume trading probably 1 million right now. Noke. Oh, man. Oh, we got the push. I missed it. Dang. I want to see a push over 689 and I might pull it. Nah, that might have been a false break. I don't know yet. 681, 683, 83. It looks like it might come back down. That might have been a false break. I don't feel confident yet. AMC shooting. Let's take a peek. Not quite. It's getting ready. Oh, there it is. Push over 16. It needs to hold it. It needs to move. I like the price action on AMC better, for sure. Can't even buy AMC? Man. Trading 212 is down bad. Oh, man. Wall Street paying off these brokers to lag the servers. They probably are, honestly. Brokerage account, I'm using Fidelity Pro, and I love it. It's a great platform. AMC touching 16. AMC is running at 16. I'm going to preview. Buy. 700. Order type. Market. Just going to see what happens here. I'm going to pull that back to 500. I don't want to put 700 shares in here. That's a long wick. AMC 1640, AMC pushing. It's trying really hard. Buy at 16, sell for 1,000. Oh man, that's funny. That'd be pretty crazy. If you were on AMC at 9, want to buy more, wondering if I should, just based on price action, what's your opinion? I think if you're going to hold it for a period of time, getting in the 11s or 12s is your best bet. If you're looking for a quick in and out, trying to ride momentum, that is an option as well. I'm waiting to see a confirmation on a hard push. I don't want to get into this until we see the push. And it hasn't happened yet. Looks like we might see it. There's a long wick underneath this candle here. We're looking for a retest of these two candle highs. So 1654, 1640. So if it pushes those two candles, I imagine we're gonna get a little bit of a run. RJ, I am in the military. Joey, hey Trey, appreciate all the videos and breakdowns. When you get a chance, curious of your take on Sundial after the new distribution deal. Sundial, from what I understand, they are now a debt-free company. I think that happened about 2 or 3 weeks ago. I don't personally have a position. I don't know if I'll establish one or not. But as of right now, the price action is not bad. They are... it looks like they might be forming a head and shoulders, so this might bleed a little bit. Down 8% on the day. I would not establish a position at this given moment. That's just my take. Oh man, it's trying so hard to rip. It really is. But we are in an upward moving channel, so that's good. We're done with the bleed. If we connect all these candle wicks, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different candle wicks. So if we continue this trend, it should keep trending upwards. We're in a channel right now. There is a critical stage coming up. This downward channel, which we did break, needs to continue holding that. If we see a continuation of the top of this channel down, it will likely continue to drop into the 10s or 9s. CLWD? How's CLWD doing today? I thought it was red. A little bit red, yeah. Trading at 10 cents. CLWD I'm down a little bit in. It's not looking great. Coming back to SNPW just to see how the charts look. Nothing crazy. I'm glad that it's finally stabilizing at least, but that absolutely railed me. This stock was so gnarly. Volume, I think this is a very heavily shorted stock too. Why are you getting rejected when trying to buy AMC? High demand. They can't fill the orders fast enough, that's my guess. I tried filling an AMC order and it wouldn't go through. So I feel your pain. I'm gonna zoom in here, take a quick peek. Express is 720? Dang! Oh, it's running. Damn, I missed an opportunity here. That feels like a chase. Ah, man. I don't want to get into that right now. That's overbought. I think we'll probably see a slight pullback, but it's running. Oh, the FOMO is real. That goes against my trading style. I'm not going to pull the trigger. I'm not going to do it. I might pull the trigger here, though, on AMC. It looks like it's going to continue its upward trend. I'm going to look to get in. If we see $17, I think it's going to continue to run. I sold Express like 10 minutes ago. Oh, man. Bad timing. BB? How's BB looking? I haven't checked this in a minute. It's not bad. Double bottom, George W. That is a good sign. It might have a head and shoulders pattern, but we need to see how this plays out. I don't know for sure yet. Get the whiskey glass. That cracks me up, Sanddollar. I'm glad you did that. Breakout? What is a breakout? A breakout is when you see a large, wide bar candle push above a level of resistance. So if we look right here, you can see a breakout. I didn't zoom right. So if you look right here, this is a breakout. Large candle wick pushing above a level of resistance. And if we see that, that is a confirmation to me to pull the trigger for a swing. Stop selling, you paper hands. Buy, buy, hold, buy AMC. I think I'm going to do it. Clove bounced to 16. Man. Does anyone think AMC will go past 20 today? Well, it already touched 25. It touched 25.80. Whiskey time, bro. AMC 30. Oh man. Buy JagX. It's gonna be a good stock. I completely agree. All right, if I buy in right now, I'm not gonna pull it with 500 shares. I want to see a little more of a pull, and it hasn't had it yet. But I think I'm gonna get in. It's in a nice upward moving channel. My current cost basis is $5.09. 1,500 shares. Up $17,000. 238%. All right, I'm gonna place it. It's in. Let's see if it fills. Confirmation. Filled 100 shares at 16.89. Filled 100 shares at 16.89. Filled 100 shares at 16.89. They went through. We got 300 shares at 16.89. Currently still pushing. 16.91. Hi, I'm doing this for fun and bought AMC for $4.40 like 3 days ago. Should I sell all of it if it rockets? That's completely up to you, man. I think there's going to be a lot of push here. This is being short squeezed right now. There's a lot of potential for this to touch $30, $40, $50 in the near term because this has a 63% short interest, which is absolutely filthy. And I don't think they've all covered yet. So this should continue to run here in the future. I'm gonna continue to hold. I just averaged up on my cost. I like getting in at $16. Let's go. AMC gonna soar. Yeah, boy. AMC standing strong above $16 on 7L. Yes. Stop pushing it. AMC that is playing with fire. AMC $100. Come on. I'm watching this closely. My extra 300 shares that I put into this, let's see what that dollar cost averaged me to. We're looking at a dollar cost average of $7.06. So that didn't absolutely destroy my dollar cost average. I added another $5,000 to the position. Currently sitting at an account value of $40,000. Looks pretty good. BB is running today. S&PW looks like it's making a small comeback too. Down 3,800 on the day. That's a bag holding position for me. I got screwed. For anybody that's just coming into the live stream, what happened is I got into a day trade. I was scalping S&PW, and I hit my first trade for about $1,000. Second trade made about $900. Executed a third trade, got a family emergency phone call, stepped away, completely forgot that I had a trade open. Everything's okay. I'm not going to disclose details, but it was just some situations happening with my family. And I came back to being down like $8,000. So that was great. Oh, it's running. 1722. I'm an 8-year Marine veteran trying to learn stocks. Where did you learn how to, my brother? Hey, Treyders, thank you very much for your service. I appreciate it, fellow brother. That it means a lot to me that you're asking. I learned everything I know from Rainer Teo on YouTube. He is the king of technical analysis, and that is where I have gotten all of my success on YouTube and in the market. I don't have a lot of money. You know, my account is pretty small. Granted, I'm up, what is it? $13,000 today, but everything that I learned is from Rainer Teo. I turned my account from $8,000 into $40,000, and I've maybe deposited 2,000 or 3,000 cents. So it's a great tool. He knows exactly what he's doing. He's got a lot of proven success. Is Fidelity only for U.S. citizens? I believe so. I believe so, Jason. I can see AMC hitting 35 by end of day. I wouldn't be surprised. That'd be pretty nasty. Express is going $8. Let's take a quick look. Oh man, I kind of regret not pulling the trigger, but I don't feel bad about AMC whatsoever. I like AMC. I'm not mad at all about getting into this. I'm glad I added my position with another 300 shares. It was definitely worth dollar cost averaging up. That extra $5,000 is going to really help push some profits here. We're almost up $20,000 today. Almost $20,000, up 150%, $7.06 dollar cost average. Looking pretty mean. Trying to learn trading here. Thank you for your service. I appreciate that, my friend. Good stuff, good stuff. Check out Workhorse right now. Is Workhorse killing or what? That's filthy. Look at that. 15% on the day. They're crushing right now. What an absolutely crazy day in the stock market. This is so crazy. TTOO is a good buy. They are in a huge buy zone. If you scooped up at $2, you're going to make a crap ton of money on this because it just recently tested, I think, 4. Yeah, so there's a lot of upside here. I think this is a very solid play. If you can get into this 220, I think you're going to do pretty well. Coming back to AMC. Would you sell AMC at the end of the day or wait till tomorrow? It's all dependent on your risk management. Are you willing to lose that money? That's what it comes down to. If you want to hold into tomorrow, you just need to realize that we can't predict what's going to happen. I am a bot. Dude, another $10? You're crazy, man. You're so crazy. You don't have to do that. I really appreciate it, though. You've donated me $30 today. I really appreciate you. You are the man. Thank you so much. All right, AMC already skyrocketing to the moon. Heck yeah, man. It's in an upward moving channel right now. This is clean. This is really, really clean. We haven't seen a break yet. Some long bottoming tails here. There's a lot of buying pressure. A lot of buying pressure. People are trying to bring this down and it's not working. Guys, I'm so excited. You want to know why? This huge closing bar in short volume right here. I think that this is short volume. Big institutions trying to cover down or double down on the fact that this stock is getting squeezed, and this is going to push some crazy movement on the stock. Should I just hang on a workhorse? How far do you think this will go? Well, unfortunately, I can't predict the peak of a stock. I can only look at the price action that we've seen in the past. But from what I can see, this is an all-time high. This is uncharted territory. If you believe in workhorse long-term, which I do, I think they're a good company long-term, you could hold. You're likely to see a pullback here in the future. But how bad it'll be, it's up to you. What you want to do is you could trim off the top. I think Chris Sane says if you've got 125 shares, take profit on 25, keep the 100, and then reinvest the 25 when it comes back down. That'd be my personal opinion, but I think it's still running. We haven't seen price rejection yet. AMC. Let's take another look at the candles, give you a little update. Still running. Still looks good. 1611. Little bit of rejection. 1636. 1580. Coming down. 1585. 79. 81. 89. 79. Naked is up 30%? What? Oh, that's disgusting. Look at that. Man, if you got it in naked, congrats. That is filthy. Holy Toledo. I'll check Macy's. Guys, I'm trying to stick to AMC today just because I do have a pretty hefty position in that stock. I will check out Macy's quick, but it just looks like it's doing a little bit of a retracement, so don't worry yet. I think you'll likely see a bounce, and it does look like we found a bottom here. It broke below the 60% retracement, but I'm not stressing. Macy's is a good midterm hold, and it's up, I mean, from $10. That's pretty huge. Up 13% on the day. Price target for AMC and BB. BB, $40. I think this can very easily touch $40. It's starting to run now. Volume is very consistent in an upward moving channel. AMC, harder to predict. I think this will continue to run as long as those Wall Street Bets Reddit threads exist. And if we take a quick peek over at the stock bot, let's take a look at most trending stocks right now across all Discords. This will take a second to load. AMC is at the top at 516 Discords mentioning AMC. Second being GME, third being Nokia, fourth being SPY, BB. It's looking great. It looks really good. I think BB is going to run pretty soon here. I think it's just warming up. Demetrio, man, I appreciate you, brother. May God continue to bless you. I hope you never change. Thanks for what you do for us in the community. I appreciate that so much, man. Seriously. I'm just another dude. I'm just like you guys. I just like to BS, have fun. The stock market doesn't need to be all business, right? We're out here to make money, but we're also here to have fun. And I will always be doing that with you. And I'm never going to give it to you any other way. So I appreciate that. AMC will just keep going up. There's still people waiting to buy. I wonder what the level 2s look like. I'm going to take a look. I'm going to pull up Webull quick and look at the level 2s on AMC, as I do have level 2 subscription here. Oh my God, that is so nasty. Jesus. All right, AMC, look at the level 2s. Looks like we've got a couple of sellers at $17. There's 11.52 thousand asks at $17.10. So there's going to be a little bit of a wall there, which is why we're seeing some resistance. Quite a few buys at $16.65. We were looking at 20,000 buys at $16.65. So we're going to stay in a pretty tight price zone until either one of these is completely filled. I think it's going to keep running though. What did I end up buying into this at? History? I bought AMC 300 shares at $16.89. So I'm up a little bit on that initial investment. I'll take it. I like when you laugh and get excited. It's hard not to get excited about the market, dude. Man, this is like, come on, guys. You gotta be jumping out of your seats right now. You gotta be going absolutely nuts. This stock is up 144% for us. Before I averaged up, it was up more, you know? This stock is going insane. If you have a position in AMC, you need to pour back a big fat rip of some sort of alcohol for me. And if you don't drink, then a big fat rip of water or O'Doul's or something, because we are celebrating today. This is an absolute anomaly in the market. This is insane. You can't be mad about this whatsoever. Time to go full time, brother. I wish I could, man. I really, really wish I could. I'm active duty military, so I do need to finish my obligation in the Army. I commissioned and went active duty as of September of 2020. So 21, 22, 23, 24. I will be active duty at least until September of 2024. Unless some unforeseen circumstances come, I have some sort of medical discharge or issue, I am obligated to stay in the Army until at least then. But don't worry, I'll keep waking up at 3 a.m. and pushing out these videos and grinding with everybody. AMC is open to buy. 1720. It pushed. We got through that wall. There's a lot of asks at 1720. We've got 10,000 asks, 10,000 sellers at 1720. It's trying really hard right now. If we push through 1720, and it looks like we will. No? I'm not worried yet. It looks good. It looks good. I have 242 a share since last year, 353 shares. Oh, that's nasty. That's so crazy. Sell Bio before Thursday or after Thursday or during Thursday. Bio, I think, is going to continue to run. I would hold it into Thursday personally. Buy the hype, sell the news. So if you want to sell it during the webinar, I think you can't go wrong in that situation whatsoever. I think that'll treat you well. Check out Kango. I don't know what Kango is. I got a bank call yesterday asking me where my entire savings account went. That cracks me up, Theo. Oh, man. I want to call my Roth IRA guy so bad and be like, hey, man, I know that I'm not supposed to touch this, but can I have my $20,000 and put it in AMC as a YOLO call? Not a good idea, though. I'm not going to do that. But AMC looks beautiful, man. I hear you. I know where you're coming from. Just be willing to lose if that does happen. Channel will be at 500K by 2024. That'd be nuts. That'd be so crazy. AMC will follow GME. Am I wrong? I can't guarantee you it's going to go triple digits. That's asking a lot. GME is still running, though. It's still running. I think we're going to get a retest of $385. I've seen Reddit threads saying they're going to try to push this to $5,000. Can you imagine that? GameStop to $5,000 a share. That's insane. That is the craziest thing ever. But I think AMC is going to keep running. They're following very similar trend patterns here, so I like the price action here a lot. Express is falling. Let's take a quick peek. Yeah, a little bit of sell-off, but that's to be expected. If we draw a retracement here, we've got an inverse head and shoulders. Look at that. That's clean. That's a clean-looking inverse head and shoulders. So what an inverse head and shoulders is, it's the opposite of a head and shoulders. We've got a shoulder, a head, the neckline. Bullish indicator. We saw a trend reversal, pushed up, looks good. Retracing right now, I think you're going to see a bounce off of 764. Come back to AMC. Small sell-off happening right now. Look to see if we continue in this upward channel. We need to see a bounce off of that level. $5,000 GME would break the economy. If it hit $5,000, we would have people that invested that with like $5,000 that are millionaires. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine being a millionaire off of GameStop? Cost is going up. Let's take a peek. Do you guys enjoy this? Let me know what you think of these live streams. I thought it'd be a lot of fun just so we can all keep track of the live price action on the day. I'm not ignoring Naked. Naked's going insane right now. This is crazy, but I don't like chasing. That is extremely overbought territory. That scares the living crap out of me. I don't want to touch that personally. If I got into this, it would be as a scalp. I'd be very careful buying any of these all-time highs. I don't know why it's exploding right now. That's insane. Where's this volume coming from? Do they have some sort of news? My wife is so nervous that I'm playing the market. Please yell, Brett Hayes is killing it. Brett Hayes is killing it. Don't worry, wife. Don't worry. Brett Hayes is making money. AMC is off to Mars. How high you think it's going to get? I think AMC is going to retest at least $25. I think the most run you're going to see is in the after hours. Amazing live stream. I like it. Take a sip for AMC. Can't go wrong with that. Why not? Live streams are fun. Heck yeah. I'm not going to say what that says, Tim, but I like that. That's good stuff. GME has been real good. That would be the least GameStop could do, making me rich, rather robbing me of every game I ever tried returning. I made a joke about this in my video today. I said, man, it's about time, because you return a PlayStation 4, they pay you $5. They owe it to us to be a $300 stock. All right. Are you trading traditional or individual? I'm on an individual account. Thanks for the question. Please keep the live streams. This is helping my anxiety. I am a bot. Thank you again, man. You're just paying it forward. I really appreciate that, man. You don't have to pay me $10. I'm just doing this because I love it. Are we gonna stay live all day or what? Well, we'll stay live until I get hungry or something, but I see no reason not to keep going. We're definitely enjoying this. I'm enjoying it. We'll keep it rocking, huh? This is great. Interactive Broker is down. Express at $20. Well, that wouldn't be out of the question. It's already up 154% though. So it's tough to say. It looks like it's halted. It's not moving. Man, we are breaking the market right now. This is the craziest. Oh no, we had movement. We'll come back. We'll come back to Express. We have some movement. 756. Price rejection. That's a hard push by buyers. Weak selling presence. I think at the very least we're going to test $10 today. I like the YouTube live. I love Twitch too, but at work I can't live stream Twitch. I also think it will grow your channel here very, very fast with live streams. Thanks for that, David. I have noticed that when I do live streams, people do tend to enjoy that. So I will continue to do so as long as I'm free. I'm on a 2-week quarantine right now, so I've got literally nothing better to do than sit in front of the computer screen and look at stocks all day. Oh! Jerry Tan, thank you for the $10, my friend. He says, let's get this going, Trey. Happy to have found your channel. Winky face. If I could wink, I'd wink back at you. I love that. Thank you, my friend. I appreciate that. Every time a stock hits a milestone, we yell, Brett Hayes. That sounds fair to me. Why not? I'll pin that. I'll pin that. That sounds fun. Every time AMC hits a milestone, we yell, Brett Hayes. And I'm gonna pin that. For everyone coming new to the live stream, if you would not mind dropping a like on the video, it helps the YouTube algorithm. And if you do drop a like, if this hits like 405 likes or something, I'll take a swig or something. It'd be a lot of fun. Oh, 408. That happened fast. 410. You guys just want me to see get swifty here on the live stream. No, I'm kidding. I'm doing good. I had a nice breakfast. My breakfast consisted of a bag of peanut M&Ms and a couple of Hot Pockets. Pretty crazy stuff. INO is running. Is BB a good buy right now? We'll take a quick look at BB, see where it's at. I like BB at $20. If you see another bounce off of $20, that's a good buy. But we got a George W. We got a nice double bottom. Looks very healthy. Looks like it's getting ready for another run. I like BB a lot. I think that's going to be a big, big, big money maker here in the future. Come back to AMC. Why am I getting rejected every time I try to buy AMC? Demand, man. Nobody's willing to sell. Everybody's holding. That's the problem. It's you can't trade the stock if nobody wants to give it to you. I think everybody wants to hold this. Great live stream, but don't enjoy the bourbon too much. You're right. It is 9:50 in the morning. I am chilling. I'm doing good. Thanks for the heart. LOL. What price will AMC end today? That's a great question. I think at the very least, we're going to see a retest of likely $22 to $25 if I had to guess. Off of my initial double down on AMC, I put another $5,000, 300 shares into the stock at $16.89, currently down on that. We're going to see if we retest. I'm going to show you my account, positions, still up 15,000 on AMC. 1,800 total shares, dollar cost average 706, 125%. BB's doing good. S&PW is making a comeback. Look at this. That looks good. Let's see. Let's check out the price action. Yeah, that looks good. We're coming up on a pretty critical level. If the 15 VAMA crosses over the 200 EMA, this could begin to run again. It makes me excited. That's good stuff. AMC 60. Hey Hack, please do not spam the chat bar. I appreciate that you saying that, but just to help everybody else out. How low should it go before I buy? We'll see what happens here. I'll keep you guys up to date, but it looks like we might see some price rejection here at $15. It looks like we did. Little bounce. Do what you want. You're having a good day and making money. Oh, man. EXRP halted again. They don't want us all at the moon. I know it, man. They're halting these stocks like crazy. This is such unprecedented times. It looks like AMC. Oh, nope, it's moving. Just kidding. I'm looking to see if we see, because it's in an upward channel right now. We've got 1, 2, 3 touch points. I may add another 100 shares here. AMC, action, buy, 100, preview, market. I want to see it push over 16 bucks and I'll add. Nokia is running, BB going up. Heck yeah. Wall Street Bets Army. Holy Nokia. What is Nokia doing right now? Ooh, that's dirty. That's pretty filthy. It is possible that it won't fall to 11 again. I don't think I'm going to pull here. I feel pretty good about my overall position in AMC. But Nokia looks good. It is running. It looks like we got a double bottom. George W. Very bullish territory. I expect that we'll see a retest of 537. I may get into Nokia for a quick scalp. Let me take a peek. Buy. Overall shares, we'll do 1,500. Order type, market. Preview. I want to see it push over this candle wick at 525. If I get in, I'm watching for a push over 537. Price rejection. Hasn't happened yet. Haven't seen it, haven't seen it, haven't seen it. Yeah, doesn't look like it's going to meet my confirmation here. So I want to push above this candle wick right here at 525. This is going to be an acting level of resistance. If it doesn't happen, it's likely going to have a little bit of a bounce down. We normal investors have broken the market, websites, and brokerages. I know, isn't that nuts? It's some crazy times we're living in. Yeah, I don't know. Pull it. All right, I'm watching. New trade. Nope. It pushed 525. So I'm watching for a test of 537. Did it execute my order? Let's take a quick peek. Orders. Filled at 524. Perfect. All right, so we're looking at quantity. My overall position in Oak right now. I'm going to watch this very closely, guys. I'll get to the comments here in a sec. And at 524 with 1,500 shares. I'm going to watch for a retest of 537. If it pushes, I'll hold. If not, I'm going to sell. Take profits again. Market. Preview. I'm watching close. My stop loss is going to be 520. I want to see my money grow. Let's do it. BB price target, $40. That's my anticipation. So right now, it's funneling down a little bit. If we zoom in, oh, looks like we might have a push. We are stair-stepping very clean right now, but there's some long wicks on top of these candles. Looks like there's some selling pressure. We'll see if it ends up pulling or not. 527. I'm in at 525. Stop loss at 520. I don't like these long wicks. 527. It might have been a false break. 526. 525. Stop loss is 520. 525. It looks like it might not push it. We'll see. If this consolidates for a while, I'll continue to hold. My stop loss is going to be 520. 527, 526, 27, 26, 25, 26. BB is running so hard. I'm going to have to look at that after I get out of this trade. I don't want to leave this open. I'm not having a repeat of SNPW. 525, 24. Stop loss at 520. 25, 24, 23, 24. Still holding. BB is rocketing. Money. I think this is going to end up dipping. I don't like these long wicks on the top of the candles. I might close it out. I'm going to place a limit for 525 and see if it fills. Take it as a break even. $5.25. Filled. All right, I'm gonna check out BB quick. We'll come over here. BB is moving. How about that? Heck yeah. Naked is killing it. Is Naked still running? That is so insane! Oh, Jesus Christ! GME, is it running? Is GME running again? Oh, that is so filthy. It's retesting 385. It's coming up on it. It's coming up on it. I think AMC is going to be at least $100. Man, that would be so crazy. I can't even imagine that. Sens, I'll take a quick peek. Sens is starting to run. It's down 7%, but we expected that with a lot of stocks in the market being red right now. In an upward moving channel, looks very bullish. Crossover on the 15 VAMA over the 200 EMA. Looks very clean. That's good price action. I can't believe Naked is going that insane. I didn't want to chase this. I was nervous. I don't like chasing. Dang, that is insane. What do you think is a good time to sell AMC? That's all dependent on when you want to take profits. If you're up a good amount and you're happy taking profits, there's nothing wrong with that. AMC currently is trading at $16.02. It's tightening right now on price action. We're still in an upward moving channel, so that's good. We're moving up, setting higher lows, higher highs. Volume is there. Nokia, of course, I sold at 525, and it's retesting that. Oh yeah, go figure. That's how she goes. I don't mind. I don't mind whatsoever missing out on those profits because we're still having a good day. Up 16,000 in AMC, $767 in BB. SNPW is slowly making a climb back. Down a little bit here. Could be worse though. It looks like we're approaching the 200 EMA with the 15 VAMA. Should I buy AMC at $14? Please don't spam. Please don't spam. I do see your comment. I try to get to everybody as much as I can. Cost. Oh, that's nasty. Jeez. Oh my God, that's so clean. You want my technical analysis on this? Let me draw it up for you. This is all you need to know about costs at this given moment. This is what the charts look like. You've got a nice trend line here, nice trend line here, nice trend line here. Looks very good. Oh man. Fuel Cell is not Chris Sains. That's been making moves in the past year. Fuel Cell is a good stock. Oh my God, they're still running. 23 bucks. Nuts. You think Nokia hit double digits? I do think it's possible. Man, I should have held it. Oh well. I might get back in if we see a push over 537. But I don't want to get in until we see that retest. I'll see that close position, see what the overall profit was on Noke. Noke, $72. So I milked out a little bit. Not a lot. Buy. We'll look at 1,500 shares. Order type, market. Preview. Watch for a push of 537. Stop loss is going to be 528. Pull up Noke. Sell. 1,500. Watching for a push over 537. Order type, market. Oh shit, I thought I pressed sell. Oh, I freaked out. That would have been bad. Woo! I love you too, Trey. I love you too. Let's pounce. That's what's up. I will check your guys' tickers once I exit my trade on Noke. I want to watch this very closely. We're currently pushing 535. Open my position. History. We got into Noke at 533.5. So we're up 1.5 cents. Check out our position. Currently up in Noke, $30. If it pushes 537 and we see a break, I'll continue until we see a trend reversal and I'll take profits. What do you think AMC will hit by the end of the day? Well, I can take a quick peek at AMC. I do have Noke pulled up here on the trade tab, so that's okay. AMC, I can see retesting $25. I think the most run you're going to see here is going to be in the after hours. That's where we see a lot of movement, is in the after hours and the pre-market. That's my prediction. Oh, it looks like it wants to so bad. We had a false break candle wick here. It needs to push that. If it doesn't, I may take profits and just milk out a little bit. 535, 536. It's trying. This is a double bottom. I think it's going to do it. I really do. That's a big fat George W. Stop loss is 528. Positions. What are the possibilities? Hey, thank you again, I am a bot. I appreciate that so much. I plan on holding into tomorrow, personally. It's totally up to you what your risk management is, but I feel very good about my dollar cost average, which is currently sitting at $7.06. So I'm going to hold because I think the upside outweighs the risk overall. That's just me. It's totally up to you. I don't want to tell you what you do. It's because there is risk involved. It's all about what your risk management is. 530, stop loss at 528. Haven't hit it yet. Maybe just a small pullback. 530, 29, 29, 30, 29. It might keep going. We'll see. 29, 28. Out. Took a small loss. That's okay. Cut it when it's small. That's my go-to. Let's check out AMC again real quick. See the price action here. 1604. Check out BB. How's BB doing? BB is on an upward moving channel. Looks very clean. Looks like a good day to make some green, guys. Jeez, we are eating today. This is dirty. What the heck happened with this trend line? That was weird. I'm going to delete that and just make a new one. Remove, draw, trend line. Take a peek. Upward moving channel. Looks good. I think if we retest, we're looking to retest 2260. A retest of 2260 and a push is going to bring us some new highs. GME new high? No. Oh, man. That's so dirty. I can't believe we're watching this happen. I'm a bot. Man, why do you keep donating, man? This is crazy. I really appreciate you. My average is $7 now, too, after taking profit and buying in again. Let's ride it. You're the man, man. I appreciate you a lot. That's what's up. AMC is still looking good. They're consolidating a little bit right now. It's not bad. It's slowed down. Price action's still there. Good volume overall. Still an upward moving channel. We expected this. If we look at the last 5 days of price action, we can see that we have, some movement here, mostly in the pre-market and after hours. So, during the day, usually, AMC has been pretty much a bleeder or very slow moving. Bradley. Thank you for $20, man. That means a lot to me. BBBY, I will give you an insight on right now. We'll change this over to the 1 month chart and give you my full take on it. 1 month. A little bit of lag. So, if you're looking for a position in BBBY, it's very, very bullish right now. Looks great. Looking at a retracement, looks like we may see this retrace down to either 50% or 61.8, which would be $42.19 or $39.42. It's up 31% today. RSI, not quite overbought. We saw most of the overbuying in the pre-market, or the after hours, I should say, and it corrected in the pre-market. Now it's off again. So if you're looking at a potential entry point, I do think your best bet is somewhere between $39.42, $42.19. Good gap between the 15 VAMA and 200 EMA. A lot of buying pressure. Candle wicks look pretty good. We'll zoom in on this and just take a quick peek at the price action. And it looks like there's some buying pressure. I like the bottoming tails here. That's a pretty ugly candle of rejection, but it's holding well. So I think you'll get a retest. I hope that helps, my man. VIR up 70%. Man, there's so many stocks right now going insane. How is that happening? Ooh, nasty. That is so nasty. I cannot believe that. Dang. Wow. That's pretty crazy, man. I wouldn't touch that with a 10-foot pole after that kind of run up, but it's fun to see. It's very fun to see. Buy in for AMC. Do you think I will be able to buy or not? The problem is that there's not people that are selling. You can't buy stocks if nobody is offering them, right? People are just holding right now. And the problem with that is you're not going to see it push until people stop holding their position in this stock. So we're looking for some more people to sell their shares in order for you to buy. It's a double-edged sword. I'd also like to get a better position in AMC. It's moving slow right now, but the volume is there. We're kind of doing some up and down. It's a battle between the shorts and the longs. And as I mentioned before, this really catches my eye. This big 32 million in red volume. I think people shorted this stock. I think you're going to see a disgusting squeeze on this soon. Currently trading at $16. If we zoom in here and take a look at some of this price action, I'm going to get rid of these trend lines just so we can get a little cleaner view. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. And we'll remove this support line and this retracement, just so we can get a little cleaner view on the price action we're having right now. So if we look at this, it's this Fibonacci back here that's doing it. I gotta come back, click on this, remove, today, come back. All right, so now what we're looking for is going to be a push over 1750, and it looks like we are beginning to see that push happen now. So what we're watching for is a push over $18. Man, my fidelity is just glitching today. I think it's because of how many people are in this stock. It's crazy. Do your thing. There we go. All right, so if we push over this level of resistance, which is at 1762. I think it's going to start its next leg up. And we saw the movement that we saw in the pre-market. It can move very fast, very hard, and I would not be surprised whatsoever to see this retest that $25 range. I think it's just lagging a little bit behind GameStop right now. Naked, AMC, GME, EXPR, and so many more have been halted today. Naked was halted? Wow. 85 cents, 117%. Oh, that's so disgusting. Man, if we'd pull the trigger on this back here, you'd be sitting so nasty. It scared me though. I don't like chasing. That's not my style. Excuse me. CTRM popping right now? What? What is going on? You're kidding. All right, if we see a push over 48 cents, I'm getting in. I'll lock and load 5,000 shares for a push over 48 cents. And I'll watch it closely. All right, I gotta put a limit order on this. Man, this system's lagging so bad right now. No, I'm just not going to touch it. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm not going to chase. I'm not going to get greedy here. But it does look like AMC is getting ready to push again. Dang. How's your guys' day going? Are we making some good cash or what? Do you think AMC will take advantage and share offer to create cash flow? They were on verge of bankruptcy before this quadruple run. If this happens, shares could go up in value, correct? Typically, a direct offering decreases the volume, the share volume. But it'll depend on how people react to that. The reason this is going up is not because of any sort of financial happenings. Oh man, Brett Hayes. I made the mistake of telling my wife that Trey has made me more money than she has. I'm an idiot. Ladies, I will be rich and single by the end of the day. Hey, remember, I pinned this comment. Every time AMC does something good, you gotta say, Brett Hayes. That's the money. Thanks for the $5, my friend. I appreciate that. You're the man. Should I still buy AMC? I got in at 35 and 40. Workhorse is ridiculous. Is Naked still running? Oh, God. The CTRM still running? It did it! Oh, I should have pulled the trigger. I should have pulled the trigger. Gah! Ah, what do you do? What do you do? It is what it is. I'm gonna set a stop loss, and I'm gonna try. We'll see. Stop loss is gonna be 48 cents. 4,000 limit. We'll set it for 53. Preview. Execute. Let's see what happens. Did my orders fill? Let's take a peek. History. Not seeing it yet. Orders. Check out orders. Filled at 52.91. New trade, CTRM. Action. I'm glad I didn't get in with a lot here. This might end up being a bad trade, but we'll see. Oh, not 50,000. 5,000. Order type, market. Let's watch for a hold over 48 cents. If it dips below, I'll take my small loss. Small loss. Oh, I only had 4,000 shares? God dang it. Why is this lagging? Fidelity's being so weird today. Oh, man. Absolutely goofy. Now I gotta pull this back up. Let's see if we see a trend reversal, but I think this glitch might have done something not good for me. CTRM. 4,000 shares. EXPR? Is EXPR running again? I just made $500,000 on AMC. Oh my God, dude. That is insane. I'm pumped for you. That's good. It's good to see. Oh, Naked. Thank you again, Sandollar. Best entry point. I will take a peek at Naked once I exit this trade, but I won't forget about you. NIO will pass Tesla because the Chinese population. More Chinese going to buy NIO than Americans buying Tesla. I can agree with that. I can see that 100%. Market. We're going to get this ready. It does look like it's going to come back up, so maybe that was a saving grace, but we'll see. Them drinks hitting. I don't know about that. Everyone take note of this, man. Thank you, Gage. I appreciate it. Bile, the only tip I've taken from you so far, and it's the only thing that hasn't completely exploded. Bile's done well. Bile's a good stock. It's going to continue to run, too. AMC looking good. I'll take a look at that once I get out of CTRM. Yeah, Fidelity's being goofy. AMC to the moon. AMC to the moon. I want to see a push here on CTRM. I'm not going to leave this trade open. AMC to 30. Is it moving that hard right now? All right, I do have the order bid up, so I can see the price action. $16. It's loading right now. We've got a squeezing of price action, which is good to see. Squeezing down. We see Oh, there's a candle wick touching there. CTRM. I gotta see this price action on CTRM. What is my view on stimulus package? Is it positive or negative for the market? I think it's positive, man. I think it's gonna do some good things. Is this halted? Why is it not moving? No, it's moving, just really slow. D. Blake! Thanks for being you. No, thank you for the $20 donation, man. That's insane. You rock. I really do appreciate you. You guys don't have to do that kind of thing. I just genuinely enjoy doing these live streams, but that means a lot to me. Thank you so much, my friend. And if you get the chance, if you're just catching the stream now, if you drop a like, it really does help support the channel. I would appreciate that a lot. Sitting at 544 likes. That's insane. You guys rock. This has been a long stream. We've been going for quite a while. 2 hours and 20 minutes. I hope you guys have been enjoying. Naked is flying. Is it still rocking? No way. It's still going. Absolutely insane. That's just nuts. Brian, how do we donate? You click on, there's a little tab down here that says show your support for Trey's Trades right next to the message bar. But you don't have to do that, man. I promise you. I'm good to go. I just appreciate you guys watching the video. Elon Musk tweeted Nokia to $100. No way, did he? That sounds like something he would do. Elon Musk. Let's take a peek. Elon Musk. I'm not seeing him. Oh, people. That'll help. Elon Musk. I kind of love Etsy. Bought a hand knit. Game stonk. God, Elon Musk is so funny. What a guy. He cracks me up. I will not be going till close on the stream, Theo. I will likely keep this going for another 20 or 30 minutes. We have been going for a while. My throat's starting to get a little bit sore. But I wanted to give you guys as much price action as I could on AMC. And I hope that I was able to do that for you. Nah, D, I really appreciate it. That's awesome. Let's all ask Elon to donate to AMC. Naked can't break 0.9 to 9.5. Anime Hokage. I like that name. That's cool. Let's go F them shorts up. It's getting ready, man. It's spring loading right now. It's tightening up on price action. I'm expecting a pretty hard move pretty soon. I wonder why CTRM saw such a hard push. That's nuts. Jeez. Oh, thank you, Brian. I appreciate you, man. Thanks for the $10. That means a lot. The 2 dislikes on this video are from people with $0 buying power. That's funny. I like that. That's funny. Drink some water, fam. I love the live streams. I will drink some water, or at least something. I love the live streams. I'm new to trading, and the live interaction is extremely helpful and encouraging. I appreciate that. Thank you. I will continue to do this in the future, especially as I have more free time with this quarantine. How long are we holding AMC? We will be holding AMC. Well, it's up to you, of course. I am still holding my position in AMC. I think it has a lot of upside left, and the risk is extremely low. So I will continue to hold personally, but it's completely up to you on your risk mitigation and when you want to get out of the stock. CTRM, we'll take another look at. It is consolidating right now, holding pretty well at 46.5. What's my position looking like right now? Down 250 bucks. So if we see a swing back up, I got in at 52.9 cents. Not great, but it does look like we're squeezing in on this price action. Tightening up really, really solid. Squeezing down. Let's see what we end up getting here. It looks like it's breaking beneath. It is. I'm done. I'm out. Taking the loss. It is what it is. We might look for a buyback once we see it bottom out, but we'll see. The stream made me $80 an hour by these chats mentioning naked. That's what's up. I love to see it, man. That's good. Today has been a good day. We are turning really nice profits, man. And if I wasn't down $10,000 in SNPW right now, my portfolio would look so stupid outrageous. In the interest of mitigating risk for our company and clients, we have put in place several restrictions on some transactions in GME, AMC, and other securities. Wow, that's crazy. I can't believe that. JT Cali, thank you for the $10, my friend. That means a lot to me. It really does. You guys don't have to donate. I appreciate it a lot. I honestly just genuinely enjoy interacting with everybody. This is my way of showing you guys that I'm just a regular dude, and we can all just enjoy this the trading together, right? We don't need to be super serious and wearing suits and all that sort of stuff. I enjoy just kicking it back and pouring back a couple drinks and having fun in the market. And we're doing pretty good here today with AMC. Thank you, JT Cali. Great content. If I had money to donate, I would. This is fun. Made me $100 on AMC, small account. No, you don't need to donate, my friend. It's all good. I'm telling you. I just enjoy doing this. It's a lot of fun. Does TTOO look promising? It does. I put out a video. Oh, no, I didn't. Not on TTO. My bad. But it does look good. Rob DuPont, thanks. You have helped me make some money. Here's a tip for you. I appreciate that, man. That is so sick. I will be joining your Patreon today to help support the channel and all you do for us. I appreciate that so much, Rob. That means a lot to me. Honestly, I can't believe the way that this community has grown. It's absolutely mind-blowing. You guys probably won't believe me when I say I started this channel on December 16th, 2020, and we are almost at 14,000 subs. I haven't checked in a while. I'm going to come back to my channel and just take a peek here. And I'll just pull this up so you guys can see it. I was at 13.8 subs this morning. We're at 14.2. So it's absolutely incredible. I really appreciate everybody here. That means a lot to me. But TTO is a good buy. Look for a bounce off of 235 if you see another price rejection, but it isn't an upward moving channel right now. BB, we'll check out quick again. Still moving up, upward moving channel. It has slowed down a little bit, consolidating, but still a good channel. Role says, I love your channel. Can't believe I just discovered it. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate you watching. That's awesome. BB prediction for today's close. Retest of 23.46 is going to bring us 25 bucks. That's my guess. We love the live streams. Good stuff. Hit the like button. It really does help. I'm telling you. I'm telling you right now. It's the whole YouTube algorithm and whatnot. But if you don't, I don't really care either. I'm just glad you're watching. What do you think about ATNF? I am not sure. Let's take a peek. ATNF looks like it's just doing some retracing right now. Bounced off really well from the 61.8% retracement line. Looking pretty good. Looks like it's on an upward movement. And the 15 VAMA, it looks like it's about to cross back over the 200 EMA. Looks solid to me. Do I see AMC going past 25 within this week? I can very easily see that happening. I would not be surprised in the least bit. That is very, very possible. We'll check out the price action again here. I think I'm going to call this stream pretty soon. I'd like to get some lunch. I haven't eaten anything yet today. I'm a little bit hungry, so just to completely let you guys know what's happening. If you could show some love on a new stock channel, CP Stocks. That's cool, man. I'm glad you started a channel. I hope that it goes well for you. My advice to you is just to keep with it. The first 9 days, it took me 9 days to get 100 subs, and then the other 900 to my first 1,000 took 8. So just keep grinding. You are very likely to have some success if you just keep putting in the work. Do you see AMC going past 25 within this week? Yes. Follow the officer. Yes, sir. Thanks, man. Sends. Why is it doing this? There we go. Man, brokerage accounts are freaking out today. This is nuts. Upward moving channel. Looks good. Looks very good. Today was a good buying opportunity if you got into the dip on the open. Very clean price action. RSI moving up and down. Nothing crazy. Very consistent growth. It looks good. Volume, well, compared to the rest of the month, pretty typical. Actually, maybe down a little bit. I think people are freaked out by this dip, but we saw a nice bounce off the retracement. It looks healthy. Can you explain a short squeeze to us? Yes, I can. That is so easy to do. I can definitely do that. GME is the perfect example of a short squeeze. Now, what's a short squeeze? So when somebody shorts a stock, it means that they're borrowing shares from their brokerage account to sell and then buy back later at a lower price. So if you wanted to short squeeze GME, what you would do, or not short squeeze, but short GME, let's say that you buy at 15 bucks or 40 bucks, and you think, okay, this is going to come back down to 20. So you buy at 40 bucks, hoping to sell back at 15 or buy back at 15, and it doesn't happen. It pushes up, right? So these shorts are still holding their shares. And in that scenario, what happens is they have to buy back at a higher price, which is called a short squeeze. And when that happens, you see a hard push on a stock. And when it happened with GME, there was billions of dollars on the line. So they had to cover back on billions of dollars, and it pushed it a lot. So very, very hefty movement. Noka's on fire. Man, filthy. That looks really good. Looks good, man. Push 544. Change it over to the one-day chart. It's been pretty clean price action. Dang, double bottom here. I like it. That's good. Naked maxed out. I mean, I think it's up over 100%, isn't it? 102? Yeah, I don't know. It looks like it's going to do a little bit of consolidation here. We've got a top moving. Man, Fidelity is freaking out right now. This is crazy. I think it's just because everything's going insane. It's funneling down. It looks good, though. Naked looks good. AMC. Let's come back to AMC and see the push. It's still consolidating. Volume is still there. I feel good about AMC. The fact that it's holding $16 is a huge, huge confirmation to buyers. This should be very comforting to you. So the fact that we are pushing, back up and down, up and down, up and down here, that is consolidation. And consolidation is confirmation to buyers that if they buy in right now, there's not risk of them losing their money. So I like to see this a lot. I think this has potential to keep pushing up. I like that an exponential amount. Going bonkers. Do you think AMC will make it over 22 again? I do. I think it'll happen in the after hours. Yeah, thank you for the $5, man. I really appreciate it again, Sandollar. You are awesome. Naked re-entry. Looks like it's about to run. Oh, man. This is just nuts. What a crazy day. I can't believe this kind of stuff is happening right now. I think the good re-entry would have been at 82 cents, to be completely honest. And that doesn't help you much now, but if you see a dip below to 73, I feel pretty good about that. We got 1, 2, 3 different candle wicks touching, but this is extremely, extremely overbought territory. So tread very lightly. There's risk involved, without a doubt. What is CTRM trading at right now? Did it ever go back up? Nah, it just kind of hang. But it might. It could. It very easily could. Thank you for the $5, Arif Ahmed. I appreciate that a lot. Mattia, please don't spam the chat box. I try to get to everybody as much as I can, but that just gets a little confusing for some people. BB looks good. Man, look at it go. Volume's picking up. I like that a lot. It's looking pretty filthy. Dang. Nuts. I do think it's going to touch 25 bucks pretty soon here. I really, really like BlackBerry. It's up 19% on the day. That's pretty dirty. EXPR halted again. Not surprising. I think they're going to continue halting these stocks on and off as the volume keeps growing. BMIX. Huh. It looks like it's in a pretty decent buy zone, too. I don't mind that. It looks pretty clean. It's been overbought for a while, though, so it might not have found the bottom, but I do like that there was a good bounce. That could be an indicator that we did find the bottom in the end. I'm going to get a drink really quick. I'll be right back. I'm just going to get something to quench my thirst. Oh, man. That was goofy. For whatever reason, my pop did some stupid fizzy stuff. Whatever. All right. Back to it. We're going to look back at AMC. Put all your money into AMC. Well, I don't know if I would do that. There's a lot of risk involved, but it is looking very bullish. It's getting ready. What is happening? For whatever reason, my drink is like bubbling over right now. God dang it. That is goofy. Why is this doing this? Hold on a sec. That makes no sense at all. Well, I gotta get a napkin. Clean up this mess. God dang it. And now it is underneath the glass. That is fantastic. What do you do? I'll get it later. Alright. Let's come back here. SRNE right now, my dude, this stock is going nuts. SRNE. Oh, I feel like it's too late, man. That's a crazy, crazy run-up. Whoo! I'll get in, but I'm gonna have a really careful stop loss set. Buy. We'll do 500 shares. Market. Stop loss is going to be 1340. I'm gonna wait to see some pullback. Looks like we might see some price rejection here. This is awesome, OMG. Thanks, man. Man, this is goofy. I'm so annoyed with that glass. Lunch money, my good friend. Thank you. Man, I'll get some Subway with that. I'll tell you that right now. That makes me very happy. Thank you for the $5 again. I appreciate that. TBLT. I'll come to TBLT in a second. ADXS. Alright, let me come to TBLT. I'll check it out. 1 month. That looks dirty, man. That looks good. Very consistent growth. I kind of can't even play a Fibonacci on this because it's just been gapping over the 200 EMA the entire month. It looks very good though. Good buy zone, $1.30. I like a $1.30 on there. My current position in AMC, I will show you right now. 1,800 shares, $706 cost average, up 129%, $16,000. S&PW is crushing my nuts. That does not feel good. But it is slowly coming back from some of the previous lows of the day, which is it is very nice to see because that was very painful. Yeah, but I'm feeling very good about AMC. I will continue to hold. I feel completely fine holding my position at this given time. 1598 looks good. In fact, I may take the opportunity here to buy another 100 shares because it has been consolidating for a while, and I don't feel bad buying in at a price when it's not moving much. That is confirmation to me that this may be the new bottom. Order type, market, preview. This would be another 1,500 bucks. I'm gonna watch for if we have a push underneath this resistance line, this trend line, and if it happens, I'll wait. If we see a bounce, I'll enter. CTRM is from 36 to 44 cents. Really? Yeah, it's dirty. I pulled it up earlier. It looks like it's getting ready to do another run pretty soon. It's an upward moving channel again. It stopped the downward trend, which is very reassuring. I'm gonna come back to AMC. Donna, how do I donate? There's a little green dollar bill sign right next to the chat bar. You don't need to do that though. I promise you. I'm completely satisfied if you don't. I just genuinely enjoy doing these live streams with you. Hey Trey, quick. How do you know you're no longer in the PDT 3 green circle thing? I'm nervous to use my last circle in case Robinhood does something suspect. I have 1 circle left and I'm up 25K today. Ooh. Well, you get 3 per week. And that's the guarantee. Once you hit 4, you get flagged. So if you stay below that 4, you should be fine. I'm not currently, I applied for pattern day traders, so I can make as many trades in a day as I want. So I'm not currently stressing about it. But if you're worried, then that's an option for you. It would be worth to lock in that $25,000 in profit if you're concerned. Jonathan, thank you for the $5, man. You keep it up. You keep it up. You're the man. You're the real champ here. I'm going to place another trade here on AMC. I'm going to put in another 100 shares for 1,500 bucks in. Look at trade and orders. Make sure that they're locked in. Orders filled at 1591. Give me my new dollar cost average. Positions. Updating now. Overall value sitting at $28,600. I was up 150%. We'll see what the new dollar cost average brings us to. I think I know my pop exploded. I think it's too cold. I gotta turn my fridge down. That's crazy stuff. Noke. I'll check out Noke again. So I'll come back to my dollar cost average here in a sec. Noke. Oh my god! Ah, that's disgusting. Jesus Christ. What is happening here? Dang. Make the chat slow-mo? How do I do that? I don't think I've ever done that before. Live chat. I'll click on these 3 bars here. Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know if I know how to do that. Trey, if I come out of today with a profit, what my charity would like you, what charity would you like me to toss a donation to? Well, that's a good question, man. Personally, my sister bounced around the adoption system for a while, and you know, she's got a lot of sentiment towards that, so I think that'd be probably a pretty solid thing to do. Yeah, that's probably it. The carbonation hit and foam because it was too cold. That makes sense. Noke suspended. Not surprising. This is just crazy, man. I can't believe all this stuff happening. I bet if you kept up with that that freaking WSB chat and the Discord or the Reddit, you'd be cooking with Crisco. I don't think that AMC's halted though. It looks good. Orders. I filled another 100 shares at 1591. Down on that right now. New position. Currently sitting at 752 average, 108% up $15,352. I think I am going to call this live stream pretty quick here. Is there any last things that we want to say? We've been going for about 2 hours and 43 minutes. I would like to get some lunch. No, I'm not racist, man. You can think whatever you want, though. Workhorse? Oh, that's so gross. Jeez. I think AMC could do something pretty nasty. I think you're gonna have a retest of $25. You're gonna see some up and down movement here during the regular market hours, right? There's gonna be some volatility, but the after hours and the pre-market is where we've seen a lot of price action. So that's what I think is likely to happen. I can't read all this stuff. It's going so fast. Why eat when you can trade? That's funny. Thanks for streaming. If no hits $10, I'll throw you a hundo. You don't have to do that, but I appreciate it, my friend. For real, for real, for real. All right. I am going to call it here. This is a great stream. We've been going for almost 3 hours. I hope that I provided you guys some insight, helped out your trading a little bit. It was a lot of fun for me, and I will get to you all on the next one. So peace out, my friends. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all next time.